And just like that, we're live. Apparently. Okay, hold on. Time set 0. Okay, Cheer wants to be beamed close by, so let's beam us up. Hold on. Am I being chased by a... No. Alright, let's beam them up. Let's beam them. In 3, 2. So, TP. Cheer. Vloggebare. There we go. Boom, that's one. Now let's bring the other one. TP. Nerdy Nikki. Well, the cheer. Sure. Boom. Like that. Pew pew. Alright, so we are ready to go for adventure. Listen, Nikki, you need to go on voice. Because that's how we rule, you and me. That's how we rule. That's how we rock. Ooh, it's a bird. She has a pretty bird. I want to show you my bird. Hold on. I want to show you my bird. Let me get you my bird. Oh, I forgot to bring up chat, and I forgot to post on social media that I am live, so people would know and stuff. Hey, Undertale, and hey, Gaming Diamond, welcome back. Nice to see you again. I play a lot of Minecraft, as you can see. I need a life. Shall we put some music on? It's a bit quiet, isn't it? It's a bit quiet. Today we're gonna go conquer the Woodlands mansion with Nikki, but I need to go. I need them to go. Voice chat, anyone? Voice chat. Voice chat. No, I don't want to move my Pidgey. Actually, Pidgey. I don't want to move my birdie. I want to leave him there, sitting on the workbench. I'm gonna leave you there. I'm gonna leave you there, buddy. So. What's going on here? I'm gonna grab my that. I'm gonna grab my that, and I'm gonna put it there. Hello, who is that? Who is that? How may I help you? Customer tech support. How may I help you?
Hello, new phone. Who's this?
Is this Mr. Cheer? How may I help you? How may I help you today, Mr. Cheer?
Oh, can you take me on an adventure?
I shall take you on an adventure, sir. Would you like it all inclusive or just bed and breakfast? Oh, man. Oh, there she is. There she is. There she is.
Hey, welcome back.
I want to put some music on. Hold on. Let me put some music on. Because that's how we rock these
Vloggy.
days. Yo.
Are you streaming?
I'm streaming. That's why I'm going to put some music on. For the benefit of the peoples. I feel like putting on some Approaching Nirvana. Approaching Nirvana. Let's see. They got a good mix. Let's play that.
I have to build him a jungle, and I can't even do that yet. Come on, babies! No, don't fly off the roof!
I want to show you something really cool, actually. Hold on.
He's flying off the roof!
Alright, let me show you something really cool. Really cool. Okay, guys, you have like 10 minutes to get ready. We're going to the Woodlands adventure. Hey, Karen, welcome. Nice to see you. Cheers here. Yes, cheers here.
Hey, Karen, welcome. Welcome
We're going to conquer the Woodlands mansion. It's quite a difficult task. I wanted to show something to Nikki real quick.
Hold on.
I think we can do that.
Yeah, I think we can do that too. But let's try not to destroy the mansion, please. I mean, like creepers and stuff. That's what I mean by destroying the mansion.
Cheer!
No, I don't mean cheer. I mean not to destroy. Yeah, just... Cheers, stay outside. Keep the vehicle engine going. Keep the engine running.
No, I'm coming in.
Oh God, help
Stay outside and keep the engine running. So we come out running. Ah, quick, Cheer, take us out of here.
Exactly.
Are you at home right now, Nikki? I want to show you something.
Oh, yes, I am at home.
Did you get my gifts, by the way? I left you gifts.
Yes, I always get your pretty gifts.
You did. Where are you? I want to show you something as well. But this time, this one is not a gift. I'm sorry, I only got one.
Hey, Undertale.
Look what I have.
Karen.
Where is he? There he is. Look what I have.
Yeah, I saw the doggy.
What the? Check out the name.
Really?
What? His name is Fufu. Fufu.
If he eats my birdie, I will murder Fufu.
He is tame. He's very tame. Look. He's very well trained. Look. Sit. See? What? No. He knows other tricks. Don't move. You see?
Uh-oh.
He knows another trick. Look. Be white.
Oh God!
What?
Look at my birdie.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I have
Hey,
like
Freddy,
4
welcome. Is that Peggy or Nikki? Nikki. It's Nikki. Nikki.
Hey. Hi.
Yeah. So look. You know so many tricks. Be white.
Be white?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Keep your eyes open. You see, you know so many tricks. Be called Fufu.
Wait.
His name is Fufu. Come, Fufu. Come with me. Come with me. You're not appreciated here. Actually, you know what? Teleport out of there. Teleport out of there. Come
You're
on.
not appreciated. Are you kidding me?
You said he's ugly or something. What did you say? Are you
I didn't
serious?
say he was ugly.
You said, are you serious or something? What did you say?
I said really for the name.
Why?
Fufu.
Yeah, see, come with me, Fufu. She doesn't appreciate your name. I spent a name tag on that.
Well, I'm trying to rename my birdie.
You cannot rename it. You just name it once.
I haven't named him yet.
Ah, okay. I thought you said rename. But by the way, you
I
said
wanna
you left
put
me. You said you left me a name tag. Where did you leave it?
Yeah.
Where did you
I
leave
put it right in the chest where the railings were.
No,
Not
there
in
was-
that, up in your house.
Where the railings were in my house. Hold on.
On the second stairs. With a sign, brah.
No, the name tag wasn't there, huh?
It should be in there.
Alright, I have it on stream.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I have it on stream. I will check the stream, because... No. I remember opening the gift. It was on stream yesterday when I opened it. So I'll go through the stream, and I will check to see if it was there. I'm pretty
There
sure...
should be a name tag in there.
Hey, Ilyun123, welcome. Where's my dog? Ilyun123.
Because I saw the dog and I hovered over him and he didn't have a name. That's why I
Hey,
gave it.
there, John.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to the stream.
Where's my pooch? Where's my doggo? Where's my Bork? Bork? I should have called him Bork.
That is so weird because my birdie makes zombie noises and it's kind of creeping me out.
My birdie makes dog noises. He
Yeah,
barks. Do you hear barking?
Yeah, well,
Listen.
you see,
My birdie makes freaking little zombie noises.
No, I've got
That's
a little
creepy.
zombie here somewhere. No, there's a little zombie here somewhere.
no. That's the bird. That's Nuki's bird.
Look at my
What the
birdie.
heck?
Look at my birdie. I'll show you my bird.
Yeah.
I do have another name tag, but it's mine. I found 2 yesterday. Oh, thank you. You don't have to though. Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know what? If you ever get a pig over here, I'll give it back. Alright? And we're gonna call him Porky.
I can't get a piggy over there.
We are
I
gonna get you a
tried
piggy.
to.
We are gonna get you a piggy. And we're gonna call him Porky.
Where's my Porky?
Actually, we're gonna call him Pork.
No, where's my dance? Okay, here you go. You gotta dance, right?
What?
Hold on. Wait. Come in.
Guys, you have 5 minutes to get ready. We're going on an epic adventure, okay?
Okay, so you're
Slow
all at
motion.
Nick's house?
What?
Where are you at?
I'm at my house, but I'm getting ready for... right now, I'm all getting geared up for the adventure, basically.
Yeah, we should, you know.
Nikki is Canadian, actually. Freddy.
Yeah, we should.
She's
Yeah,
Canadian.
we should gather somewhere.
He
before
just
we
offended
go.
Nightbot Undertale. I don't know what he said, but let's see. You know what happened, Undertale? I'm just gonna help you out because it's gonna keep happening to you everywhere you go on streams, so you don't get banned by Nightbot. All right. What you're doing is you put it exactly yes. You're putting in dots in between the words and no spaces, and it's assuming it's a link, so it's kicking you out. It's thinking it's a link. That's why. So don't do that. Make sure you put spaces on, otherwise you're gonna get kicked and stuff.
Wait,
Kicked
there's
in
no
the face.
donation dance? There should be.
What?
Phantom, there should be a donation dance. What? Aww, Phantom. Okay, hang on, Phantom. Since that didn't work, I'll do the dance for you.
Hey, Philly. Hello. Welcome. Nice to see you. Friend. Nice to see you. I'm gonna throw these away for now. I know it's 2 stacks of cobblestone. That's a lot. I don't need this. I'm gonna combine
Just
these.
put them in the box.
And I'm going to enchant. Actually, you know what? That's a brand new pick, actually. Alright, let me see if I can enchant some stuff, because I don't feel like... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna suit up. I'm gonna suit up with my awesome armor. I'm gonna suit
Better
up with
suit
my
up.
awesome armor.
Awesome, smart one.
Da 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 da.
You're really gonna be Iron Man.
Yes. Da 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 da.
No. You have to do the Iron Man song. That's how you do it, boy.
But the suit up song is actually.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
There you go.
No, he's talking about the movie.
Yeah, of course the movie. When he's suiting up, it actually goes. Bum, 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 bum. Come on. Can somebody back me up here?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I hate Iron Man.
What?
I hate Iron Man.
You hate Iron Man? No.
Yeah.
No, I'm all suited up. Don't make me hit you with my sword, because I will loot you. I'm kidding. I won't do that. I love you, buddy.
will loot you?
Time, set, 0. Are you guys ready to go? I'm all set. I'm all set.
Well, it's nighttime.
No, it's
So we
not.
should wait.
No, it's not.
From
See if
a
Freddy
night.
knows. I want to play it, but I want to play the song, but I'll get sued up the butt.
Okay.
What?
No, thank you for the donation, Phantom. And as always, thank you for supporting the stream. I love you!
Look, I'm all
Okay, I'm
suited
ready.
up. Cheer. Look, I'm all suited up.
Well, I'm all
Alright, checklist. Things to get. Torches, food, armor, sword, and all that jazz. If I can kill them myself, maybe we can get 2 totem poles. Maybe. I don't know. How many? How much looting do I have? I have looting 2. So who knows? Maybe he will drop 2
Yeah,
totem poles. Yeah.
Who knows? Hopefully.
Do we need a boat for that? Go there?
No, we're gonna teleport.
No. I mean, how do we get back?
I have a compass, so.
Oh, good. Cool. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, we're just
Not
waiting.
me. Give me a second.
We're just waiting on the ladies as always. They take forever to
Wait,
get
wait,
ready.
wait.
Squeeze me!
Squeeze you? I can squeeze you.
Okay, go ahead.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Okay.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Yeah, I forgot something. I'll be right back.
Oh, by the way, here.
I'm gonna poop in your box.
You can open it anytime. There you go.
What?
Oh, hey.
What?
Sticky pistons. So you can use them.
For what?
Really? It's like redstone.
But I thought I was done with the machines. I was done with the engines.
Well, you can do that. It's just for being creative with what you want to build. Like, you can build, like, doors or whatever you want.
Thank you. I'm gonna put them in the box.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does, Freddy. Called Nerdy Nikki.
Does Nikki have a YouTube?
Oh.
Yes, and I think she's
Yeah,
she's streaming
she's
right now. Actually, if you want to check out her stream, her point of view, her POV. That's what we call it
Yeah,
these days.
she's streaming right now.
She's streaming right now. If you want to check out her POV as well.
Yeah, it's Nerdy Nikki with never K.
Where'd you go? And I was gonna give you diamonds. Well, okay, never mind.
Diamond! I'm coming back! I'm coming back! Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I am the Flash. Da-da-da-da-da.
No,
Oh, come
no
on.
Flash. You're Iron Man. Get it right.
Choo.
Okay, now dance. Shake, boy.
For you, a special dance actually.
Okay, see ya, Phantom. Dinner.
I earned it.
Here, chair. This one's yours.
Oh, thank you.
There, we each got a diamond.
Yay! Alright, are you guys
Yeah.
ready to go to the adventure?
No, wait.
We're to the
I need to do
adventure.
something very important.
Guys, if you need
What's that?
foods... Well, nothing. Never mind, actually.
Yeah, I got some food, but
Yeah, take foods.
sit.
I need to store this, diamond, so I don't lose it. Hey,
Stay
Irish.
there.
Hey, Irish crocodile.
Hey, Irish.
Hey,
Hey, what-
Irish! I'm gonna put on my pants again.
Welcome, Freddy.
I'm gonna put on my pants.
Okay,
Dum.
I'm ready.
Alright,
Don't put
let's
on your pants. Oh god, that scared me.
Okay,
ready?
Wait, where is everyone?
Let's meet up in front of the old house, basically. We're calling it the old house now. The main
Yeah.
house.
Yeah, I'm in the square.
I'm coming. The square. How cool if we made it into, if we changed this into a square, actually. We should
What?
change this into a square with a fountain and everything. I'm getting ideas
Yeah,
now. We should call this
yeah,
the square.
Yeah, we
There
should.
you go.
Yeah, we should remove the old house and have like a small farm. And
No, no, no.
farm
I
in the
don't
middle.
agree. I don't think we should remove the house. No, no, no. I don't think we should remove the house. No, no. The house is like, is legacy basically. I don't think so. And plus,
Hey,
it's a lot
Tiffany.
of work. Plus, it's a lot of work.
Freddie, thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it.
GG.
Yeah, we should like take a screenshot.
Screenshot
Yes.
what?
Yeah. Where are you, Nikki? Where?
I'm just getting some
We take a
stuff.
screenshot in front of the house, not now. Hmm? What do you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah, definitely.
And
Our
then,
adventure.
yeah, I think I'm gonna look up a fountain, how to make a nice fountain. We'll make a nice square here. We're gonna call it the square.
Yeah.
Guys, how do you feel about calling this island No Pants Island?
No pantalonas.
Or
There you go.
No Pantalones Island?
Yes.
La Isla de No
agree.
Pantalones.
Oh God, yes.
Oh,
Hey,
Fine.
Midna.
awesome.
Welcome, Midna.
Hey, Midna, hello, Midna. Nice to see you again. We got to see each other again one more time before Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon comes out.
know. He does not believe me that his accent is hot. Like it's
What?
Nothing. Nothing.
Hello,
Nothing like
Geshi.
Yeah.
It's between you and I.
What?
Okay. So, we need a crafting table just in case.
Yeah, I have that, and I have furnace.
What is she
Okay,
doing?
I got the coal.
Che, what is she doing? Putting makeup on? Does she
Maybe.
want to look good for the illagers? They're called the illagers, by the way. How weird is that?
Illagers?
They're called the
Hey, I
illagers.
gotta look sexy, okay?
Okay, Cheer, look at me. I gotta look sexy too. Look.
I know you're a monster.
Oh God, yes. I can just picture it now. Those grunts. Oh my God.
With that poop stain.
Hi.
Welcome back, Understar 5.
Welcome back, Undertale.
No, no,
Aww.
it's called,
No, it's
called
Nerdy Nikki. Nerdy Nikki. Nerdy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Nerdy Nikki by day and naughty Nikki by night.
Eee. Oh, snappity snap snap.
Oh yes, and then after it's sticky Nikki, but that's only for certain people.
Goodness.
Heyo! Okay, anywho.
Ready to go, please?
Yeah.
Vloggy
Yes.
playing Minecraft. I know, Merlina, right? I know, right? I know. You didn't
Hey,
expect that.
Merlina.
You didn't expect that, did you? Well,
Welcome.
right now I'm
welcome
going
to
through a bit of a
the-
Minecraft fever. I'm going through a Minecraft fever, and I found some
Oh,
awesome people to play
hold
with.
on.
I've got
Hold
Cheer.
on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, wait.
He's twerking. Look.
Iron Man is not impressed.
No, Iron is not impressed.
There you go.
No, no, no. This is for the viewers.
Listen, if you're gonna
Let
take your
Claire Redfield
if you're
do
gonna
it.
take your clothes off, I will take my clothes off.
There you go, baby. Oh
Take my,
yes.
Smell my poop stain. Smell my poop stain.
Yeah, thank you, Undertale.
According to my DS, it says 2 days, but I think I'm gonna get it early. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, so
Are we ready to
Gonna be
go?
the-
Are we ready to make some magic?
Yes.
Cheer
Yeah,
the
my-
coordinates, please. Actually, I still have them on Discord. Hold on, I have them on Discord.
yeah, my bad is ready.
Okay, there they are. They're still there. I'm just gonna copy and paste. I think I can just copy and paste. I
Yeah,
can't
you
copy
can.
and I cannot copy and paste them because you put slashes in between. So I have to do it the old-fashioned way. TP. So
Well,
TP.
actually, you can. You
No,
can
it's
just, you
okay.
know-
It's small numbers anyway. 263. 263. We're getting the magic ready. 76.
Oh, it's cheerful
And
gamer.
minus 1. 8.
Hold on.
5. 2. Bye guys. Bye. Have a great time.
Yeah, just click on my name and you'll find it. But I'm not saying it right now.
Undertale.
Alright.
Thank you for subscribing, Undertale.
Wait, this is
Yeah.
the wait. Wrong spawn. This is where the village the thing was. This is something else.
No.
This is something else. I spawned in the
Yeah?
wrong place. TP. Sorry guys. Sorry. Technical difficulties. 4253.
I know.
4253.
Go ahead. Vloggy should definitely do a podcast.
64.
Oh my gosh,
Why?
Yummy.
Nobody would listen.
Because your voice,
313.
okay?
Oh,
Like,
come on. Stop that.
hey, your voice, and I'm not the only one. It's just orgasmic.
Oh, come on. That's too much now. All right.
I'm doing
TP.
great, thanks, Melina.
I'm gonna
How about
teleport.
you?
I'm gonna teleport Nikki so I can hang out with Nikki a little bit without cheer. All right.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right. There you go.
Thank you,
There's-
Undertale.
Let's hang out real quick here.
Hey, this is my
Come-
house.
Oh, you can only sleep at night. I'm gonna take off my
Okay.
pants real quick.
Wait.
Hey, don't
Alright.
stop, don't
No,
stop.
okay, now let's bring cheer.
No, let's not yet.
That's not yet.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Do you have any bits?
Oh god, you saw nothing.
You saw no, me without my pants. You saw nothing.
Wait.
Alright, you guys ready? Let me
Yeah,
put...
Yeah.
let's do this.
Hold on. Do you have any bits with you?
Merlin asked how are you, by the way, cheer.
Yeah, I'm doing great, thank you, Medina.
So,
about
where is
you?
the man?
How
Oh,
are
there's
you?
the mansion. Let's take a selfie
Yep.
in front of the mansion over here. Let's take a picture over
Yep.
here. Come on,
Yeah.
let's take a selfie. Oh, let's set it time, set 0.
Yeah, I'm doing great,
Let's take a
Medina. How are you? Hold on. Let me.
We have to turn it around. Hold
Yeah.
on.
I would
I
like
can't
radio
see.
vlogging with your pals. We should do radio. Yes, it's true. It would be awesome to have you guys. Come over here where I'm standing. Line up with me. And we're gonna take a selfie.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a sword in my hand as well. It would be cool to have a sword.
Yeah. hold on.
Alright, okay.
I'm gonna.
Print screen. 1, 2, print screen. Boom. Boom.
Oh, I
there
wanna
we
look
go.
up. Hang on. Take another one.
Print
Wait,
screen.
is it full screen vlogging?
It's not full screen, but I can fix it. Don't worry. Let me
No,
just
no,
open up
hey,
Paint.
you just press F2 to take a screenshot.
Alright, we're done. Boom, I got it. It's in my Paint saved. I'll post it afterwards.
Oh, wait,
Alright.
No, it's my turn.
Oh, okay.
You can, just take a screenshot by pressing
Can I
F2.
take my pants off for the picture?
Oh, heck yeah, you know it.
You know
Oh, yeah.
There you go, baby.
it. Ready? I want to see this one. Not now, obviously. Alright, let me put the pants
Yeah.
on. Guys, we need to be
we-
careful in here, alright? But I have an awesome sword. My sword, just so we know. Just so you guys know. I can help you out. I have Unbreaking 3, Sharpness 5. Is that 4? No, that's Sharpness 4, Looting 2, Fire Aspect 2, and it has Mending, so it's never gonna break. Let's go.
He's so weird. I know.
I know
Okay.
I'm weird. I'm sorry.
I know, I love it about you.
Sorry.
That's why we get along.
It's funny how people say I'm weird and then they say don't change. Like, listen. I'm weird,
Hey.
I'm stupid, I'm funny, I'm
Hey.
nerdy.
Hey, that's why I like you, okay? So
Okay.
don't even.
I guess. I mean,
Yeah,
you know, the easiest way to conquer the Woodland Mansion is simply to burn it down. As simple as that, but I mean, come on. That's too easy. I want to preserve this mansion.
Yeah, you just step.
Actually, I would love to take over this mansion. This is an awesome build.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, feel free to place torches everywhere
Wait,
because it's really
wait,
dark.
wait.
Hold on, I'll
Neighbor.
take care of him. Hold on, he's gonna burn to death real soon. There we go, GG. Let's start placing torches everywhere, alright guys, because it's very dark. Let's start from the bottom floor. Nobody go upstairs for now, okay?
Okay. Oh,
I
so
hate to
it's
sound like I'm the captain, but I am. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Wait, you should have done that actually.
Watch out, zombie. Nikki,
Yeah, I see that.
where are you? Nikki?
I'm right here, planting
Alright.
Georges. I'm being smart.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, be careful. You're on your own. Me and Cheer are together right now. I
I'm
don't
fine.
want you to get hurt. I'm in charge of this mission.
Yeah, we should.
I'm in charge
Stick
of this
together.
operation.
Yeah, we should stick together.
Yeah, we should stick together, Nikki. I mean, up to you really, but I don't want
versus
anybody dying. No man left behind or no woman left behind.
No person.
I feel like Chris
Fine.
Redfield right now.
Oh,
More and more I
gosh.
find myself asking if it's worth to fight for.
Oh my god, these flowers! I call dibs on the flowers.
Oh, look at all these melons up here. Wow. Come over there. Come over here. Just so much melons. Or so many.
God,
Well,
your
rest.
guardian.
Irish crocodile, welcome. I'm just gonna say it. Your accent is just hot. Oh yeah, thank you. Man, look at all this good stuff here. Are these
Oh
jack-o'-lanterns
god,
or?
do you hear that?
Yeah.
Yes, it's creepy. Yeah, yesterday I left a lot of stuff here, which has despawned by now, I'm sure.
Wait, should we go upstairs?
Nice
Or-
melons, melons, big juicy melons. Be careful,
Okay, I
guys.
think
Be
we're
careful. Oh,
done
there's an
with the
anvil.
part.
Oh!
Oh, it's almost broken though.
Oh, it's about to break, yeah.
Yeah. It broke our hype.
Yeah.
Alright, I think it's time to go up.
GG.
Yeah, there's a stairs over here. Next to the melon. Here.
Is there any other place that hasn't been lit? No, everything's fine. Everything's lit.
Yeah, let's go to the other side.
Yeah, let's go the other side. Where's the other side?
Over here.
Oh, I started
melons!
to lay
Big,
that.
juicy melons! Because I said melons, it is watermelons, I know, right? I made a boo-boo when I said... Look, this was a creeper, I'm sure of it.
Yeah, that's when yeah, Cheer and I went investigating, and then yeah, the creeper came and.
Oh,
almost
everything's
killed us.
okay here? Yep. Ah, this is an awesome house. I love
I
it.
see
I wouldn't mind
zombie.
living here. My sword. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! They've,
No.
as True calls them, the little
Three
bastard.
zombies. Oh. I have those. Ones.
You guys need help?
Just clear this.
Sorry, did I hit you
Anyone?
my sword? I'm sorry. Here, here,
Yeah.
here. Oh, you're okay. Never mind.
Okay,
I got a
I'm
bucket of
fine.
water with me.
I hate this baby zombie.
Let me take care of him. Let me take care of this. I have this. Oh, come on, man.
You hit Cheer.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. There we go.
There you go.
Man, dude, that was tough. Anywhere else? Where did they come from anyway?
I think there's a spawner up above.
There's darkness here. Hang on.
Darkness, let me your power.
Luigi, I think this is Luigi's mansion. Yes, I agree. Oh, a chest! A chest! Oh, that's empty. Somebody looted it, probably. Look at this mushroom farm. I
That
like it.
wasn't me.
I like this
Hold on.
mushroom
Yeah,
farm.
mushroom farm's nice, but it won't grow any mushrooms because of the top. That's why.
No, but they will multiply.
Yeah, that's not really.
I'm only after multiply. Oh, look at this! Is this a cell? Wow, look at this.
Whoa.
Looks like a
Found
cell.
something. Found something.
Watch out. What's that?
You
What was
hit
that?
the
Hold
thing.
on.
Ow. Let me
GG.
just get rid of the friggin' activator.
This looks like a jail cell. Look at this.
Yeah. Ooh.
There's a creeper up here. Oh, watch out! Watch out! They're coming! They're coming, guys! Careful! We got this!
Wait, you went upstairs?
Why is he not following me? He can't get in! He can't get in this room! Look at this!
Wait, did you get upstairs?
Yes, it's a hack now.
Now to emeralds! Nice!
Hey.
He dropped to emeralds. And he
Wait,
dropped two
where
because
are
I'm
you?
carrying the looting sword.
So mean.
Sorry.
Where are you?
We're gonna split the
purple.
earnings afterwards.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm serious. What do you mean? Come on, creeper! Oh, okay. Watch out, creepers!
It's okay. He's after you right now.
Yeah, but still, don't kiss them. Careful.
Where do they burn?
Because of my
Well,
sword.
because I actually have fire too, so.
My sword has fire.
Oh, where is it?
Alright, let's check out this room real quick. Ooh, chest. There's dark oak saplings. I'll take them. Thank you very much. Ah!
I see a room with the.
Watch out. No!
It's okay.
I see there.
Watch out.
Oh, hello, dummy.
Watch out, guys.
You want a kiss?
We're actually doing pretty dang good.
Yeah, but I'm worried about the house that we blew up. We can fix this anyway. We can rebuild.
Exactly. It's fine. Does anyone
Hey,
have any
Dada's
more
here!
torches?
Hey, Dada's here!
What do you want?
Someone watch me, okay? Because I'm making torches.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm watching you back. I got you back.
Yeah,
back,
I have
let's see.
50 torches.
Whoa! What just happened? I mean, I know what just
where-
happened. You guys need to be more careful. What happened?
Oh my.
What is this room?
I think.
Oh, you're being chased! Hold on. I got this. Whoa! Nice, I got him. I'm bringing you back. Don't worry about nothing. Everything's fine.
It
Boom,
was
grab
the
your
closest
stuff.
Sex chamber yet.
Did I get any of your stuff? I don't think I picked up anything though from yours.
Yeah, you definitely picked up a lot.
No, I got
Hold on.
nothing. No. What did you have?
No.
My
hold
stuff
on.
is gone.
No, I have them.
Oh. Aww.
Yeah,
I call the wool room. That is my room.
Wow, this is lovely wool. I don't know what this is supposed to be anyway.
Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
it's teal or cyan.
Yeah, but what is this room supposed to be? I mean, like, what's the point of this? It's weird.
Well, it's Nikki's room now.
Wow, it
There's
is a
some-
nice room. Do you want to live here?
No.
Do you want to move in with me here?
There's
I just lost
other
you.
stuff. Hey, there's some stuff here if you want it.
Yeah, you're still missing some of my stuff, but that's okay. I'm taking all this wool. Screw you guys. This is my wool.
Where's?
I have the torches and the coal that you have still, and other things, but don't worry. We'll deal with that in a second.
Where's this leading?
Careful.
Guys, come over here. I found something here.
But I don't
But I'm not gonna. I don't want to go without you guys. Let's see. Hold on.
Wait,
Over here. Yeah, come over here. I found something.
Wait. Hey, wait. I saw a dark area here.
Yeah,
First
this
floor.
was a dark area. Let's take a look at this.
No, over here.
I think that's where a spawner is or something. God dang.
There's like.
So you want?
Where is this
upstairs?
taking us?
Yeah. Do you still have my torches, Cheer?
Yeah, I have.
Where are we going? Oh, a chest.
Wait, where did
Nothing
you
to
go?
see here. Nothing. Oh, a name tag. I'm giving you back your name tag then. No worries.
Hold on. Where did he go?
Over here.
Wow, this was a secret. Alright, I'm giving you back your... Do you want it now or do you want me to give it to you afterwards when we're done?
Just in case if I die again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you have my pickaxes, my coal.
Who, me?
No, Cheer.
Yeah, I got nothing from yours.
I only have like one pickaxe.
Bare chest. Da.
Yeah, but I do
Do you
have.
have my shears?
Yeah, I have your shears. There you go.
Okay.
What else? We haven't been upstairs yet. Are you gonna do it now?
Okay.
Here's your torch.
Are you gonna do them now?
Hold on.
I want
Wait.
them.
Wait. Your torches. You want them? There
Yeah.
you go.
And I don't think your shears are actually doing it faster, to be honest with you.
And here's your pickaxe.
Thank you.
I think they are actually, yes. I think they are mining it faster. Hold on.
They
Wait.
do. Trust me.
Hey, I found like a.
Trusting
Find the
you.
dark area
You're
here.
taking all this wool? All of it?
Yes, I'm taking all this wool.
Okay.
It's blue.
Okay.
It's blue. Come on.
Okay. So how about we check this area, Vloggy?
Okay.
Nikki's favorite color is blue.
You wanna go, you and me? Let's go check out, because she's
Yeah.
wooling right now. Let's take a look at this
Yeah.
area real quick.
You jealous of my woolen?
You're wooling. Oh, there's a wolf. And why is this wolf so is a different color? Ah, the dog is trying to get to something.
Here you go, Vloggy.
What is this?
Bones.
What did you give me?
I'll give you bones.
No, I don't need the dog. Actually, we can use the dog. Actually, yes. Yes. For
You just thought of that now.
to use him to our advantage. Dog, yeah.
Upstairs,
No, he's
on
not.
the right,
He's
there
completely
should
ignoring me.
be chests. There's 2 chests upstairs that I know of.
All right, let's take a look over here. It's completely dark here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a run for it. Ah! Oh, there's a chest. I found Death Strider. Nice. And I'm gonna take some bread. Oh, another name tag, but he snagged it.
Oh.
He snagged it, the wolf.
I see.
The
Oh,
wolf
wait.
snagged it?
No, cheer the wolf.
I know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. He snagged it?
Oh, I found the lead.
I don't
Okay, where are
really
you
need it
guys?
though.
Well, I do have like a horse, you know.
Ah, it's true.
Oh,
Is that jungle samplings?
I think so.
You can check. I'm not so sure.
No, dark oak samplings.
Okay, let's go upstairs now. We're done with the lower floor, I think. It's a
Okay,
pet
so-
farm. See ya, Merlina. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We appreciate that.
Wait.
All right, I'm next to the main
Where
stairs.
did you went then? Yeah.
Oh my god, look at all this melons.
Melons, big, juicy. They're actually watermelons.
Are they nice and firm?
You tell me.
So we're going
Wait,
upstairs,
hold on.
right?
Oh yeah.
Just a second.
Oh come on!
No, nothing's more important than this. Nothing's more important than this, Cheer. I'm sorry.
Where are you? Yo.
Where are
Lucky,
you?
Where are you?
I'm next to the stairs, the main stairs. Upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Heading upstairs.
Well, I can't leave Cheer here, so.
Yes, you can. You just walk away.
Okay. Walk away, walk away, walk away.
There's a Skelly over there. I'm gonna take him out. Come on, Skelly. Come on, skeleton. Ouch! Why? You got this. Come on. You got this, buddy. You got this, buddy. There you go.
You cannot wait, boy.
No, I'm anxious. I'm overly zealous.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ooh. I'll take those later. Okay, you called dibs on the wool. I'm calling dibs on the books.
Go ahead. I can make awesome carpets.
I can make awesome enchantments and bookshelves. Alright, let's plant some more torches over here. Okay, I hear a magic man, be careful.
Wait, did you already go on the other side?
I don't know, I don't
That's
know
where
which
you found
side
the
you
wall?
went.
I was like.
Oh, I
right
had a
behind you.
creeper.
Oh
Was
my
that you?
god. No, it was Cheer.
Oh my goodness. He's upstairs, Cheer, as well, though.
Yep.
Oh man, Cheer, look what you did! Look what you did, Cheer! You make a hole.
Magic man.
I'll take care of him.
Oh god, creeper.
Watch out. Whoa.
Yep, you just deal with it, because you're nice and strong. You strong,
I'm
man.
strong like bull.
Yes.
Whoa, 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 careful, careful, careful. There's two creepers, there's two creepers.
It's okay, they'll go after you. Oh my god, it's the city of wool.
Hold on, because I'm not confident right now. Let's go. Watch out. Ah! Did he just hit the... I'm getting older. I'm getting... Oh, guys, be careful. There's holes on the floor now. Actually, I think I can fix them. Hold on, I think I can fix them. I'm gonna fix them, actually. Oh, man, I just threw them away. My wood.
Way to go.
Did he just go to grab them? I think he just went to go get them for me. There we go. It bothers me. The holes bother me. Oh, man. I'm down to 3 hearts. I just realized. I'm gonna regen real quick.
Yep, no problem.
And I'm pretty sure I saw another creeper. There was another one for sure. We need to be careful. Hello? Any other? I think he got me my... he's coming back. Yes, he got me my wood back. No, he didn't.
Oh my god, look at all this. Oh my god!
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.
Cheer! Why'd you leave?
Who died? Did somebody die though?
Yeah, Cheer. I got his
Cheer
stuff.
was saying, oh, he did, yeah.
Ah! I'm about to die!
Come over here, come over here, come over here. You're being overly ambitious. Let me take care of this.
Protect me!
There we go.
Yay!
You know how many emeralds I got so far? 12 out of all this.
Oh, senpai.
Do you need food?
Oh no, I'm good.
Do you need to wait for regen?
I found some of my... Oh no, I'm fine.
Oh,
But,
there's
most
Cheer
of my
stuff.
stuff is here!
I took his I took his name tags.
Oh, you naughty, naughty boy.
You die, you lose. Alright, it's very dark here, but it's like a maze over here. I'm not so sure if there's any vindicators hiding. I'm not sure.
Hang on, hang on. I'll take the gold because that was... I'll eat the bread right now.
Alright, I'm gonna chill here while you get ready, so... You okay?
Oh yeah. What is this room?
Hold on, I'm coming. Where's Cheer? Where'd he go?
Cheer rage quit.
I don't think he rage quit, I think he just... Hold on, I found something awesome. Stay back. Stay back. Ah, stupid creeper. Stay back, Mr. Creeper. I said stay back! Don't come any closer! There we go.
Be gone!
Oh, another wool room, kind of. Actually, they look like beds.
You have a lot of bookshelves here.
Yep. Alright, so we're done with this floor as well, I think. Are we?
Look at all this carpet.
I need to fix this room, it's completely destroyed.
It's okay.
I love this mansion. I'm gonna redo the whole thing here. I like how Cheer tried to fix this with wrong coloring wood. Did you notice?
Yeah, I've noticed.
I'm gonna fix it real quick.
There he goes, being a little anal.
Being very OCD. This is it. This is my OCD.
You're
I'm
being
very
anal.
sorry. I
Like
apologize for. So what?
Nothing.
No, but it's true.
Nothing at all.
I'm very OCD when it comes to this. I need.
You know what's weird is that
I will not
I'm
sleep at
supposed to
night.
be You will not. I'm supposed to be live streaming, but it wasn't showing up. For some reason, it's like, oh, I got disconnected.
Oh, you're not streaming anymore.
I don't know. I thought I was.
Hello. Yeah, if the creeper's going to say, wait, I'm having a sandwich. I know, right?
I'm sorry, guys.
There has to
That
be
was
another
so
way up.
weird.
There has to be another way up here. I'm sure of it. Let's look around the second floor one more time, because we're missing something.
Yeah, there's a
room?
hidden room somewhere. There
Okay,
has
we
to
haven't
be.
been here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Where'd you go?
There's
Stop
skeletons.
going places.
Alright, I found...
I hear Enderman.
Really? Do you know where I am? Are you next to me?
Yeah, I'm behind you.
Okay, careful, because there's skeletons in here. Whoa. Alright, we're good. I need to make some more torches.
I hear him.
Yeah, I hear him too. I'm gonna make
I'm
something.
fine.
I'm gonna make something to eat through. I'm gonna make some torches. Did she really rage quit? No, I think he just have to be on. He has to be on the phone or something. I think it's the phone thing. All right, let's keep going. Are you? Where are you?
Yep, no problem.
Careful now. Easy does it.
Okay, spider room.
Careful. Ooh, I found something. Something different. Ah!
Okay, something.
Ah! Ah! Watch out! 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 That scared me. That scared the crap out of me. Did you see it or not?
No. What
Alright.
were we supposed to be watching?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. He's probably gonna show up now. Oh, he's not really. He's just gonna hang in there. Oh, I think he died. No, he didn't. Hold on. And drip. It's not that hard actually. I thought it was gonna be harder, but it's about to get harder. There should be the evokers now. The evokers summon like little angels. Oh look, it's Mr. Enderman. He seems to be aggro. There's a zombie.
Oh god.
Oh, it's okay. I'll take care of him. Let me take care of this. I have this.
Yeah. You protect me, senpai, and I'll just sit here and do all the work.
ouch.
Ooh, iron. That is definitely mine.
I dropped it, but never mind.
Well, that's gonna be mine. You drop it, it's mine. The iron's mine.
All right. Let's take care of this, and I think this way upstairs. I think takes us somewhere. Let's leave this for last, though.
Yes, I can hear them.
Oh, there's one over there. There's one over there. Careful. I'm gonna try to hit him with my arrow and bow. I can see him from here, so I think 1, 2. Got him. He's one of the angel summoning guys. Oh man, he's lifting his hands up and making magic or something. Oh, he's dead. Nice.
That was easy.
A totem pole. Nice. I
You
got
got
a
a
totem
totem
pole.
pole?
Yeah, I want to show it to you. Hold on, but I want it back. We'll find more. Don't worry. Take a look. Oh, I picked it up again. Sorry. Let's try again. Take a look.
Put it in me.
Check it out.
So what does it do?
If you're holding it and you die, you don't. Get it?
Okay, thanks. No, I'm getting here.
Hold on. You took it again. Where is it?
I give it to you.
No, you didn't. You took it back. You cheater.
There you go.
Yeah, cheater.
I will give it back to you. I'm not like other people.
Yeah, cheater. Totem of Undying. Alright, let's go. I'll get you one, because there's more of these guys. But we have to kill them. Oh my goodness, he's summoning them. Hold on. Stay back. Because if he summons the angels, we're doomed. 1, 2, stay back. Because if... Look, he's raising his arms. If he summons the angels... Okay, go grab him.
Oh god, no.
What?
There's
Hold on.
more?
I think... No, this is just one of those, though. Ah, crap, I missed. Hold on, I'll take care of him. Nice!
Teamwork. I gotta eat.
Yeah, me too. Where are you?
I'm behind you.
I don't.
I'm enjoying the
there.
view.
Okay. Careful now.
I
I'm
won't die,
stressed
don't
out. Oh, grab the totem pole over there. You didn't pick it up. For you.
That's not a totem pole.
Totem of
It
undying.
is a totem pole! I got
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
No!
Ooh, I'm on 1 heart. That was close. 1 heart.
No! You shall not touch me!
I have to regen. Bear with me while I stand here and regen.
Oh my god. I just got a diamond hoe. What is he trying to tell me?
You're a diamond hoe.
These hoes ain't Oh,
So yesterday I was playing with Sakura and we were going down the caves and stuff. And I told her, do you have any food? On our way back up, I told her, do you have any food? She's like, yeah, I have loads of food. Okay. At one point, I decided just to shoot her with my arrow, just, you know, just a little punch, just a little joke. And she dies immediately. Like, I told her, Sakura, were you on 1 heart? She's like, yeah. Why didn't you eat? She's like, because I forgot. Like, who does that? Tons of food and you're walking around with 1 heart. She's
No
like,
comment.
I'm a noob, bear with me. I'm gonna walk around here, I wanna see what's what. We've been here, actually. There's more of these guys. Careful, careful, careful. What's that? Wow, they're fast. We're gonna split the emeralds, of course, because I have like 14 now. I think we're done from here.
Oh, I want to take that iron axe. I don't want that axe to go waste. Now we have to go upstairs. You ready for this?
I'm just gonna make sure that everything's fine here. Yeah. Whew. Oh, eat.
Right.
Eat.
Oh, I'm full health.
Wow, we survived, you and me. I mean, you died once, actually. You died once.
Yeah, that's because you brought him towards me and you hit me with your...
As if you're gonna blame me for your failure?
Yeah,
Come on.
check after.
Come on.
That's why I'm staying behind you.
Careful now. There's this... Oh, wow, look at this! Hold on. Careful now, careful. I can get these guys from here.
Oh,
look at
God.
this! Ah! Ah! No, not like this! I fell into the freaking hole! I fell into the hole! I couldn't... Something pushed me. It was you. You pushed me.
It was not me, it was the
wasn't you.
Enderman!
It was... Who triggered the Enderman anyway?
That wasn't me. I think it was you because you looked at it or you hit it.
No! Alright, I'm coming. I need my stuff. I was level 30! I was level 30! Where's my stuff? Where are we?
I couldn't collect it. You dropped in the hole, so...
Just like yesterday. Just like yesterday. Ah, crap.
Here, do you need anything? Do you need my sword?
Crap! This is not gonna... This is how I died yesterday. I fell into that hole. Do you have a bow and arrow or something? What the heck? What are you doing? Why did you go down the hole as well?
You spawned at the top of it!
No! Holy crap! My sword is there.
Well, you know the coordinates, so let's go.
Oh my goodness!
Let's go, let's go! Go get it, boy. We have to go, because I don't freaking want you to lose your shit.
Man, my sword, my best sword. If I lose that
I know,
sword,
like,
I'm
how
gonna
do
be
you
so
think I feel?
salty. I will rage quit this game. You will never see me play Minecraft again.
Don't you dare do it. We're gonna get your Shaganikis back, okay?
Ah!
Let's go.
Hold on, I'm just trying to find the place before we actually... You know what? Can you make a bow real quick? A bow and arrow?
I already did. I already got
Nice.
the enchantment bow that you gave me.
I'm trying to find a way
And I
back
already
though.
got stacks of arrows, just in case.
And foods. Do you have foods?
No, but
That's okay.
I actually have food when I died.
Bringing you
so-
here now.
Okay.
Okay. Can I get the bow? Can I get the bow?
Here you
I'm gonna
go.
have my revenge. And the arrows, of course.
Here you go. Here. Take it. Just take it all. Kick some ass.
Son of a biscuit. Where's the arrows? I'm out of arrows. Are they gone? I don't trust they're gone.
Nope, there's one more.
Nice. I got the stuff. Ah! Ah! Sorry. How cheap was that?
Oh, come on!
Oh, come on!
I had an arrow! Okay, spawn it. I have my flame bow, so yeah. It's okay, we'll get our stuff. Don't worry. I'll whack him with an egg.
That was so cheap. I looked around before I went down. There was nobody.
Yeah, there's a thing off to the edge. Make sure. Wait. I'll just take the I'll replace it. Okay, you ready?
No, no, not yet. I'm far.
I know, right? It's not my fault though. That's freaking.
No, no, I'm not saying it's your fault. I was just kidding. That freaking Enderman ruined everything.
Yep. We were going so good.
The Enderman pushed me.
Yeah, you should have saw.
But he wasn't aggroed. I mean... Okay, I can't find the room.
You can't find the room?
Nope.
Are you joking? Okay, I borrowed someone's pickaxe, so I'll replace it.
Alright, I'm bringing you back.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Take me away to
Where's the asshole? There he is.
Told you. It's there. Make sure you get all the XP. That's all yours. You can have it.
I'm just punching him. I'm not gonna take forever though.
Here.
There you go, you son of a biscuit. Alright, I've got some stuff. I've got some of my stuff, you got some of your stuff, so we're gonna have to exchange now.
Yeah, we got like mixtures of stuff.
Yeah, this was mine. Alright, let's throw them at each other. Oh man, I see you taking my stuff. Alright, so this was yours.
So, name tag's yours.
This was yours.
Take that.
This has to be yours.
The flame bows are
must have been
mine.
yours.
This is yours.
What about your armor? I don't know what armor you had. I'm gonna throw away all the armor I got.
I had iron, all iron.
I'm throwing everything.
And then I had
have.
cheers, partially cheers iron. And then you had my sword, my iron sword.
This must be yours. There's cooked mutton over here. There's some saplings here.
That's yours.
This is the power 2. This must be mine. Do you have some arrows?
Yeah, you can have my arrows.
Not all of them. No, you can
extra
just give me
arrow.
half. That's fine. What else?
Okay, here.
All right, so
Here, I'm just gonna put your stuff in the hole. Right here.
is this?
Is it gonna, yeah, never mind. It's gonna drop down. But I still have like.
Oh
yeah.
no! These pants must be yours.
There's your boots and everything.
This must be yours. This must be yours. What is this? This is my sword. Ah, my sword. This must be yours. This must be yours.
The iron glow in the dark
helmet.
sword. Yeah, that's mine. The glow in the dark sword.
This is not mine. This is not mine. Oh, my boots.
sword.
Yes, my booties, please. And I think I.
Yes,
do you have
yes.
my pants?
Which pants? The diamond pants?
Yeah.
No, I don't actually.
Really? They're gone then. Rip.
Yeah, I don't have that. My sword's probably gone now because I'm missing a enchantment sword of iron.
Oh, I have it. I threw it at you actually, but
Here.
I picked it up again. Here we go.
Take the iron, because that's yours.
Ah man, I keep picking up your stuff again.
Okay.
The totem pole. Did you pick up your totem pole?
Yes.
All right, good. Your sword. Did you get your sword back? Oh, there's a bow. This is yours. What? No, no, no. This is yours.
Here, the compass is yours.
This is yours. Yes. Look at us.
I know. We know what is ours and what's not. That's good to have. Gosh, we have a system. That's good.
We're actually throwing away some stuff that nobody needs now.
Exactly.
I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this.
Need my bed.
There's a sword here. I don't know. Ah, crap! I picked up your stuff again. You leave it in the way, and I need to go through. All right. Are we done here? Feels like we're done here.
No, there's still more. What's your current level? Well, Davey, after when I died, my level is like zip.
I'm at 3 now. I was at 30 when I started the stream. 30.
Yep.
Alright, I think we're done. I think
Okay, you
this
got
is
the
it.
emeralds. That. No, there's an upstairs. There has to be. Because I still hear creatures.
But it's night out. It could be just because of that.
Maybe. But then it doesn't help when I hear that weird, creepy guy going, Yeah, there's a second floor right up here.
Oh wow, yeah, right. It's true. Whew. Ready? You have food? Are you equipped?
Yes.
They kicked our asses this time. They kicked our asses because they kept falling into that hole.
Here,
Alright,
do you want some
I hear
iron
more.
booties?
Careful
You
now.
want some iron pants?
No, actually... Oh, I have no arrows.
Here. Take iron pants. Here,
Yes, please.
take them.
Thank you.
Did you get them?
Yeah. Do you have some arrows?
Yes, I do. You can take them. Here.
No,
I have
I don't
50
need to take
arrows.
all of them,
52.
but-
Just take them.
I shall. I will not fail you, Senpai. Look at this.
You better not fail me. Oh, seriously?
Oh, he's an
It was
evoker.
bad?
It's a good thing we're killing the evokers.
Exactly.
Because they summon like little angels that they chase you around. They're so ugly and scary. And they're
You
so
have my
fast. It's so
torches.
hard hitting them. I hear more. Careful.
Yeah.
Oh,
you
he
have
has a
my
totem
torches,
pole
though.
as well. I'm gonna grab it.
So we'll get that for cheer since he was. Ooh, look it!
Watch
It's
out.
a city of
Don't get
love.
too excited right now. I keep hearing noises, so...
But I like it. Oh my god, yes.
Alright, it's safe here. You can go in. I hear zombies though, be careful.
I'm collecting all this wool. Don't need this button. And you must have my shears, do you?
Hold on. I'm fighting a zombie right now.
Yeah, no problem.
I do have your shears, yes. I missed that.
Okay.
Here,
So, oh my
here they
god,
are.
this is the best treasure to me.
Here we go, here we go. Where is it? There you go. Watch out!
Thank you.
Zombie coming!
You'll protect me, I know you will. I can always rely on you.
Yay, level 5.
Oh, baby.
I just realized this is a big cat! No! Why are you tearing it down? It's a big cat! I just realized, look at this! It's a big cat!
Okay, never mind. I can't tear it down. Here,
Oh,
I'll replace
with
it,
the
cutie.
ears and stuff. Oh, well, I mean, well, you didn't,
No,
you
I
didn't do
can't.
much
It's a
damage
kitty.
yet. It's too cute. It's too cute.
It's a kitty.
It's
I
a
can't.
kitty.
I can't.
Oh my goodness!
There, it's a kitty.
It's a kitty. It's a giant kitty. Oh, oh.
That's my room. That's my room. Kai!
Got him. Man, to me, the books are the biggest treasure here. Obviously, and the totem poles because they're very rare. Today I was thinking, you know what the elytra is? The elytra?
Mm-hmm.
There's only one in the game. Who's gonna take it?
I don't really care for it. You give me iron, I'm happy.
Really? Wow, okay. I thought we were gonna
I told you.
I thought we had to compete for it or something. Okay, I see a creeper. Careful now.
No, I mean, I'm very simple. Like, you know, you please me with iron, it's all good. You please me.
Got him.
Oh, tease me. Dun, dun, dun. Wait, what? Really?
And
The
he's
new movie
gone.
sucks.
Careful now, because I don't trust the areas. Oh, there's one of them. Oh, okay, careful. I want him to summon the angels. I want you to see what they're like. Do you want to see them?
No,
Okay.
I don't want to die.
Me neither. They raise their hands up.
Whoa, banners!
Banners? I want the banner.
No!
No. Just one. Just one.
Well, there's one for each of us, so I'll get one for cheer and all that too. Because there's 3.
Let me see. Where were they, the banners, anyway? Let me see.
Right here. Right by me. It's like a little, I think it looks like...
Ah, cute.
Yeah. Do you want one?
Yeah. Can you hold on to it for me, though?
Yeah,
You
no
don't
problem.
need this bow anymore? Or this is not
Nope.
yours? Watch out, creeper! Yeah, that one I
Well.
didn't see. Yeah, I didn't see that one coming. That's okay. I hate it when creepers explode. You know, if they blow up like an 8x8 block, for example, you don't get the right amount of blocks afterwards. So if they destroy 8 blocks, let's just keep it simple. If they destroy 8 blocks, alright, they will only drop like 2 blocks. I hate that. So now we're missing carpets, you see?
It's okay.
Yeah, but I cry every time.
Oh, I'm gonna be taking this. This wool right here is like my prized possession.
Oh, there's banners in every room, actually. I just realized.
There is?
Yeah. Well, not every. Oh, what's up here? What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? Oh, chest!
Where are you?
Secret chest! Secret chest! Sweeping edge! I don't know what it is, but I'll take it. Gunpowder,
you?
gunpowder. A golden apple! The notch apple.
You think that's easy? Or
What? To obtain?
it is easy to obtain.
What? The notch apple? No, no, not this one. This one is very hard to obtain. There's
Hey.
did you know there's 2 kinds of golden apples? There's the regular golden apple, and there's the shiny
Is this supposed to be
golden
a
apple.
bathroom?
What's in there? It's a sauna. What?
I have no idea. It looks like a bathroom.
I have something to make you happy here.
Oh, teacher Pookie.
I got the golden apple. Wow, I'm so amazed. Let me show you the golden apple, by the way. Come over here. I want to show you the golden apple that I found.
Is it glittery or something?
Yeah, it's glowing.
Yeah,
look.
that one.
That
Here,
is
take
that
it.
is hard to make. All right, let's keep going. So far, I picked
How
up
many
3 totem
levels
poles. I
are
need to
there?
eat.
Oh, right there. Right
What,
there,
an evoker?
right there.
What is an evoker?
Hide.
Hold on, let me just take care of that.
Seriously, the Transformers one, the cube. Oh god, that's gonna be bad, isn't it?
We're done.
Oh, zombie.
So most rooms have...
Oh shit!
This guy didn't drop a totem pole.
Right here, right
Coming,
here,
coming,
in
coming.
here, in.
Coming, coming, coming. What?
He's in here.
Oh, there he is. Hold on, stay back.
Protect me!
Ah, that's why he didn't drop a totem pole, because... Ah. Oh, look at this. It's a boxing arena.
I get to go upstairs on the ladder because you went last time.
Okay.
Vloggy.
No, I'm not taking anything.
Maggie?
No, I'm not taking anything. I'm waiting for you. But I want to see what's inside the chest.
Woo! Aqua Infinity.
Name tag!
that's
There's
nice.
another name tag. Take it. And the hoe. And a diamond hoe. Do you want
I
the
like
diamond hoe?
diamond
Ho!
You can have it since I already have one.
Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, there's another one, I think. Wait, it's upstairs. We don't want to go to there.
Taking the bread. Oh, watch out! Oh my goodness, he was right behind us and we never saw him! Look at that guy!
He just jumped down.
From where?
There, where the ladder is.
Careful.
Got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he dropped more emeralds. But from where? He didn't drop from where? Because this is a dead end.
Well, I think they spawn if it's not like lit, maybe?
No, I think it was just there and he didn't hit us. Look at this. This is a boxing arena. Did you realize? This is a boxing arena. Look.
Yes.
Ooh, ooh.
I'm gonna box you anytime.
Wanna fight? Let's fight a little bit. Come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Fight me. Fight me like a
Slap me
woman.
around. Oh, okay.
No, no, no. Punching. We're punching. This is boxing. Alright, that's enough. Eat.
Aww.
Eat.
3 seconds? Really? So the movie is not worth going to see? Ugh. That sucks.
I found
Sorry,
leather.
guys.
Ladder. Ladder.
Found leather. Anything interesting?
Nothing. Oh, a lead! A lead! I finally got a lead! You know what a
Finally
lead
got
is.
laid?
Finally got laid. It's a leash. I got a leash. How cool is
Oh,
that?
I already have one.
I never got one. You cannot grab those, can you? Or can you? I don't know.
Not that I know of, no.
Is there anything in the bathroom? Hello?
Oh, I'm at 196! Sup, bro? Nice stream. Sup?
Sup, bro? Nice stream.
Hey, boo boo.
Are there any
How you
more?
doing?
Are there any
No.
more?
Not that I know of.
Are we done here?
Ugh.
I don't hear any more noises.
Uh,
I think this is it.
but we could probably take. I think maybe that ladder. Here, just in case. I really want to try out that
Whoa, whoa,
ladder
whoa,
that
whoa,
was
whoa, I
up in
heard
that
something.
area.
Oh, somebody's shooting us.
No!
We wrecked
No
him.
touchy! Okay, let's go up here just in case. Where we once were.
Mm-hmm.
Where that one place is.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm... Or is it this area? No, it was the other area. You know the other ladder area where we looked at?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna try up there. Maybe there's like a secret chest there or something. I just have like a hunch, you know?
Alright, I'll leave you to it.
Let's get down to business.
Don't you mean here? You mean here, eh?
Yep. Okay, get ready.
No. That's it.
Hey, you may never know.
I wanna climb up.
Whoa!
Yay! We made it on the top. We conquered everything. Let's place torches on the top.
I was about to say, let's play torches as victory. Let's see how pissed off we get. Oh, wow. We did it!
We did it. I can't believe we did
It
it.
only cost us like how many deaths?
It's not well. I mean, we died because cheaply, really. I mean, it's not really. I don't really count it as a death.
Oh, okay then. Because I got like freaking flamed
we were
by your
very
arrow.
careful.
Like not arrow. Yeah, that's true.
All right, we're done here. Go down. Or make more. You want to place more?
For victory, yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna place more. Hold on, because
For
I
victory!
ran out of torches. I'm making more.
Oh, do you want some of mine?
No, it's okay. I got a stack of 64 now. Ding. Oops. Well, pretty much took care of the place here. Everything seems to be okay now.
And Cheer joins the game. He's like, yes, I'm here for the loot.
Yeah, he's gonna place torches now. Come this way. Come this way. Come follow me this way.
Okay, I'll come.
I'm back.
Look who it is.
Welcome back, Cheer.
I don't think we can jump
Here.
here. Can we make the jump, or are we gonna die? We can do it. Welcome back, Cheer. We missed you.
Thank you.
We conquered everything. We got you a gift. We got you a gift from the souvenir shop, from the gift shop.
Nice.
What's wrong?
You okay? You sound
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm
That's
fine.
cool.
okay.
That's cool.
Sounded like you got good bad news. That's why.
Yes.
Yeah, I sort of do have bad news.
Oh.
What's wrong?
I died and lost everything.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, well, that's
That's
okay.
it.
I mean,
You didn't lose everything, actually. If anything, you gained. How are we gonna get up from here?
Well, are we close to? Oh, wait. Do you have a water bucket?
Oh, I do. Yes. You're a genius.
There you go. Put it down.
Alright. Alright, this is a limited open window, so... One... Ready? Jump.
Yep.
Okay, I'll be in my home.
Hey, Geshi! That's why you are quite in-game. Yes! Yes, yes.
We did it!
We did it. We just conquered the... Now I've got a totem poles of undying for everyone in game. I've got three. How many do you have?
I have just one.
All right, so that's yours. Then.
So since Cheer went with us, he gets one.
Yeah, I'm gonna give one to Geshi as well because I was supposed to invite him and I forgot. I was supposed to invite him to come with us and I forgot. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, so sorry.
But I give you the totem of undying. Hey, it's a me, Mario. Oh, I give you this as well, by the way. I'm gonna give you half of these. These you've earned them.
Hey, thanks, Tom.
Aww.
So-
Oh, here, get your. Oh, wait.
Let's teleport to Geshi. Hold on.
Hang on. Hala.
Yeah, I think he's like coming
Okay.
to my house.
Ah, you gave me the shield. Why did you give me the shield? I never actually had a shield.
Oh, that's my shield.
No, Cheer. I had to make room for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my shield.
So let's go. TP.
Hey, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it.
Wait. Don't teleport now,
Why?
because we're in the water.
No, I'm not teleporting to you.
Yeah, Gish is in the water too.
Oh, he is. He's with you. You guys are together.
Yeah.
All right. All right,
Yeah,
come
I
over
see
here. On Geshi's, not on Geshi. I mean, on Cheers Island. Let's go. We're gonna regroup here.
Well, I'm waiting for you to teleport
Yes,
me.
hold on, because I'm in water right now. Getting out, getting out. All right,
Okay.
teleporting. So, teleporting. Nerdy Nikki to Vloggy Buddy. All right, and I have gifts. I'm here bearing gifts.
Welcome to my house.
I'm here bearing gifts. This one's for you,
Thank
Geshi.
you.
Geshi. This one's for you. Boom. And this one's for you, Cheer. You got one each. Oh no!
Here,
I gave you
Cheer.
two. I gave you two by mistake. I gave you two. Give me one back. Give
thank
me
you.
one back.
Take the armor, Cheer. That's yours.
Give one to Gesh. Give one to Cheer, Geshi. Give one to Cheer.
And here, Cheer. Here's a banner.
One to Cheer.
Ah,
There
thank
you go. Pick it up. Oh, and now,
Here, I have it.
Nerdy Nikki picked it up.
Here.
Okay, there you go. So everybody has
wait,
one.
Wait.
Everybody has a
Wait.
totem pole. Yeah. What?
Yes, I have
This
one.
one's yours.
Banner! Nice! I have something for Cheer because initially he dropped them, so Cheer, this is yours. I'm gonna give one to Geshi as well because, well,
Yeah.
he wasn't on the adventure with us, so you get one too.
No.
There you go.
Wait, where's my stuff?
No, I
Oh,
don't,
most of it's gone.
well, I mean, I have this. It's probably yours.
And the wood. Oh, and a gold thing. Here you go.
What else? I mean, what else did you have?
Oh,
I have-
here, iron. That's like the only thing that the boots, and that's about it. That's all
Ah.
that I was able to collect.
Oh, thank you. That's good.
Well,
Oh,
thank you.
And
for
these
the
are yours, I think,
money.
as well. Are these yours? You can have them.
Which?
Oh, that was
Oh,
fun.
that's fine.
Now it's time for me to take off my helmet, by the way. I'm done.
Yeah, it feels nice without an armor.
Yes, it's nice to breathe without the mask.
Yeah, it's nice to be naked every now and then.
It's not the same.
I keep this totem in my shield slot. I think you can.
Yeah, you can.
If you die holding it.
Oh yeah, that's
You don't
my
die.
arm.
So, if you die holding it, you don't die.
Yeah. Wait. I don't think you ever seen my house from the inside, right?
I have seen your house from the inside.
No, I'm talking to Nikki.
Oh yeah, let's go inside. Housewarming
Yeah.
party. Housewarming party! Yeah, woo!
Woo!
Celebration now. That we.
Yeah, I'm upstairs.
Let's go
Oh, this
upstairs.
is actually cool.
It's
Yeah.
a nice, nice shack you got here, buddy.
Yeah, you got a love shack here. Love shack, baby, love shack.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I need to go home now. Huh? I need to go home. I need to
What?
put some stuff in the chest and stuff.
No loot. No, I'm kidding.
No,
Hey,
I'm just kidding.
I don't even know what Death Strider. Well, Death Strider, I know that you can. Death Strider 3. It means you can walk normally underwater. That is fantastic. And I know that.
Yeah, she's like, which one do I choose? Do I
It's-
choose this, or do I choose the totem pole?
And what does Sweeping Edge do? I'm not so sure about Sweeping Edge.
It's nice. So when you swing your sword, it's like more like swifter.
wow.
If you know what I mean, like fast, basically.
Okay, sounds like something my sword should have then. My Sword of Awesome should have.
Yeah.
My Sword of Awesome is so equipped right now. It has Unbreaking, Sharpness, Looting, Fire Aspect, Mending. I will add Sweeping Edge to it as well. It does 9.5 attack damage. So anyway, I need to go back home.
oh wait, Froggy, I got something for you.
Oh yeah. Yes,
Come meet me
please.
downstairs.
Alright.
Go.
I don't have...
Oh.
Oh, I do have space. Oh, these are mine.
Yeah, these are yours.
Ooh, did she give you the banner, by the way?
Yeah, I have the banner. Wait.
It looks like a snowflake.
I think that's my sword. Oh yeah, that's my sword.
How can you craft banners anyway?
I think you need sticks and you need wool.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna make a boat and I have to go. Let's see.
You have to go to work.
No, I have to go out of this island. I need to go regroup my stuff
Oh,
in
I
my
was gonna
chest.
say I need to regroup too. So take me with you.
oh, we can take my boat.
No,
I can take your
what about
boat.
you?
Oh, I have
I'll
one.
replace it.
No, I have a boat, another boat.
Yes, but we're
Okay.
4 people. We need one more boat. We need a boat. It's a me
Yeah, I'm-
boat, yo.
Well, I'm gonna say
Ow!
Can I do this? I'm gonna try something. It doesn't work now. I tried.
Whoa, you look like Santa Claus right now, Geshi.
Why? Why does he look like Santa Claus?
Look at it. He's wearing chainmail and he looks like an old man right now.
Let me see.
No
let me see,
joke.
let me see.
Hey, smile, damn it. Looks like an old man. He's like,
He is Rick from Rick and Morty. He's Rick from Rick and Morty.
That does not look like Rick.
Because he's wearing his armor, that's why. If he takes them off, you'll see. But he's Rick.
So, who wants to go with who?
I mean,
yeah, I'm gonna
actually,
say
you
it.
know what? Whoever comes in the boat with me. Oh, you took my boat! You stealer!
There
Give
you
me
go.
your boat
Come
because
here.
I want to do something funny. You know, the usual stuff, actually.
We're gonna go boat racing!
No, we're gonna boat.
Ah! That!
Look, he's Rick. Look at him. He's Rick.
Woohoo!
Look, he's Rick. From
Yes,
Rick.
you drive alone.
Look at Rick. You didn't see Rick?
Yes.
All right. Look at Rick. Wobble up a dub dub.
Oh, now I see it. Okay.
Bye. Have a great time. Bye. Have a beautiful time. Off to the island. To the island we go.
So what should I do with this totem thing?
If you die while holding it, you don't die. So you probably use it within an hour or 2 minutes.
Okay, well, does it have like a respawn time or something? So if you
Oh.
die,
You won't die basically. If
So-
you die,
and if
then
you
like,
keep dying?
it only works once. Then it breaks.
Okay, I'm definitely then putting it in the picture frame then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so am I. Yeah, so am I.
I'm gonna save it.
And
I'm
it makes
gonna
it makes an amazing animation now when you use it.
Oh. Well, thank you for subscribing, bruh.
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 Back to the
Bruh,
island.
Yeah, I need to
Seems
work on
like
my
me,
house.
Nikki, and Geshi are the only ones left living on this island.
I know, right? I think I'm just gonna stay here.
Stay here, what?
I think I'm just gonna stay here and you get the mansion all to yourself. But I get the wool, so.
So I'm gonna put the totem pole in the picture frame, just because it's my trophy. Boom.
Yep.
It's nice in the picture frame. I like it.
Hello, my birdie, I'm home. Mwah.
Now that
Mommy
my
loves you.
Iron Man armor is destroyed, I need to make another one.
Come on, babies. Come see Mama. There you go. I missed you so much.
And now I have doors in my house. Finally.
Alright, my Sword of Awesome goes in here. No, where? Oh, it goes over here. Alright. Oh, that goes over there.
I like how we're organizing everything right now.
Yeah, I'm a freak when it comes to this.
I know. That's how I am.
Yeah,
And,
that's why I have like six chests. Most of them are empty.
Oh,
Cause I
that's
know,
good, Jamie. Go ahead. You can talk.
yeah, cause I know that I'm gonna get a lot of stuff.
I gotta put my pants.
Wait,
Put your
so how do
pants
I
on.
fix my armor? Or
You put it on an you put it, well, I mean, fix your armor. If you have two of the same, you can combine them in a crafting bench, basically. Going to my house quickly. Okay.
So I put them together? Okay, nice.
And you can, if you have two of the same, you can combine them in the workbench, or you can put them on your anvil. And for example, one iron ingot, you get to fix it. Like if it's made of iron. If it's made of iron, you put one iron ingot, and the health bar goes up basically of the. That's how it works. I'm gonna go put the box up there as well. I'm happy with the loot that I've got. I lost my levels, but whatever.
Really, gaming? That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy with the loot that I got. I gotta make more picture frames. Jeez.
So if I have like an iron, if I have an anvil, I can make like one iron for the chest plate, right?
You might need more than one iron. It depends how damaged it is, you see? Because one iron will increase the health bar by a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So it depends how damaged it is. You might need 2 irons, you might need 3. Depends how severely damaged it is.
Do you need some iron?
No, I have some iron. And my armor is fine. Yeah, it's in good shape.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep these here. Now I have 14 emeralds.
You have 14 emeralds?
I should stop bragging in case some of you guys are thieves.
Wow!
I kid. I joke, I kid.
Really? Really? See, this is why you and I are too much alike. Geeks. Ugh.
If I have sinned, I'm sorry. Please, please forgive me.
Well, Burning One, thank you for the support. I appreciate it as always.
Hey, Michael the Nightmare, for those diamond armor set, that's 44 diamonds. Wow, that's total of 44. That's a lot, huh? You see? You see? That's a lot. But I need to replace those pants. Need to make them again. Need to make them pants again. So, let's make those pants. Let's replace those pants one more time.
Wait. So can I paint my armor?
Only if it's made of leather, though. Leather you can paint.
Oh. So then I'm gonna need a lot of leather.
Do you need leather?
No. I do have some.
There you go.
Well, I have like 57, so...
Okay, Freddy, no problem. You have fun. You enjoy. Make a good meal.
Ooh.
This was outside. You had two creepers
What's he
waiting.
cooking?
What?
What's Freddy cooking?
I was outside yet? Oh, okay. No problem, buddy. I don't know. What
I
are you
don't know.
cooking, Fred? Tell us, my friend. Tell us.
Oh.
I should have gotten more of those banners. I'll get more, actually.
So the question is,
Gesh is using my anvil. Make your own anvil. He's... Dude.
so
Oh!
the mansion is clear, right?
Yes, it is. How is it that I cannot... Oh, I did. Alright, never mind.
But
I couldn't break the... I don't know how to do it. Oh, come on, Geshi. That is no excuse. That is not an excuse. I don't like it like that, actually. Hold on.
I like how this is like my treasure room right now.
Penne with white sauce. Oh, I love penne with white sauce, man. With some bacon and some mushrooms.
Stop teasing us.
And some mushrooms. I cannot have carbs. I'm gonna cry. Come on, Geshi. It's one of the oldest recipes in the book. You don't know how to make them. Come on, Geshi. Come on, Geshi. And we have the book now. And we have the guide now. So people, there's like a new generation of Minecrafters now that don't even know how to draw the item in the crafting box like I do.
Oh, I sometimes forget it just because I'm too lazy or something. Like, I only do it when I'm really lazy. It's like, eh.
Depends.
Don't feel like
If
it.
I forget how it's done.
yeah, I just use the book.
Yeah, when I'm lazy, that's like the only time I do that.
Yeah, same here. Or if it's something I just know how to make, or I forgot.
Alright, I've got a lead. I'm gonna tame a horse. Time for me to tame another horse.
You're gonna tame another horse?
Well, actually, I don't have a horse. All I have is a donkey.
Donkey?
Donkey.
Donkey?
Guess you just had chicken with white sauce.
Well, I only have cookies. That's my dinner.
Cookies
So he's...
Yeah,
Ew.
cookie.
That's... You're just having cookies.
for dinner.
Yeah, cookies and coffee.
Ah, dude.
Well, that's all what I have.
You need to eat.
You need to eat proper food.
Yes.
I only
Because
have
we
like-
care about you.
Because we love you. We love you.
We
Oh
will
man,
you so
I have an
much.
awesome idea. I have an awesome idea.
What?
You just wait. You just wait. This is gonna be hilarious. Let me just go find me a nice horse.
Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna do something. Come here,
Yeah, I'm
friend.
gonna take these. I really want to make a treasure room.
So let's look around. The island is full of horses. Should I take the white one? The white one looks cool.
Come here.
Oh, I think that's like a extra sugar bug or something.
Well, let me see what else we have.
I'm gonna place you right here. To
I
the
think
ship. With the sheep.
right now.
Come here.
You know
Come
what?
here.
This is my horse. This is gonna be my horse.
Come here. Come inside. No,
I think this
just
one's
go
already
outside.
tamed. Okay. So I think Mr. Horse, I think you're going to be my horse. Alright, you're gonna be my horse.
Or right now.
Oh my god.
What?
I wanted to, like, you know, place my bird.
Oh yeah,
With the
baby.
sheep.
Oh yeah, baby.
I want to keep my bird with the sheep, but, you know, the sheep getting out.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yoo-hoo! Whee!
Oh, like you went race?
I got me a horse, man. It's so fast, man. It's so
Hey,
fast.
V4.
It's so fast. Hey, V4, when is the cookie stream? I'm hoping Sunday now. I'm hoping Sunday. I know I keep saying Sunday, 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 but I'm hoping Sunday because last Sunday I was sick. I'm sorry. I wanted. All right, horse,
Yeah.
you wait here. I'll be right back. I have a surprise for you. I'll be right back.
Hey, Vlog, you went race?
Hold on, because I have to do something with my horse real quick, and then we can race. Yes, we can
yeah.
race. Oh, how cool would it be if we build a racetrack for our horses? That just gave me an awesome idea. All
There
right.
you go. Creativity now.
All right, hold on.
Oh, I think your horse doesn't like you, Vloggy.
As if my horse is awesome, and you know my horse does tricks. My horse does tricks. Look at this. Look at it. Where? Come over here. Oh, where'd he go?
Well, I told you he doesn't love you. He's going to Nikki.
He's just wandering off. Come over here, Mr. Horse. Look at this. He knows tricks. My horse knows tricks. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Horse, horse, horse. Upside down, please.
Uh-oh.
Do you see what I see, Cheer?
Yeah, I see a dead horse. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, baby.
Sometimes I wonder about you.
I got tears in my eyes. Oh man, look at this. Whee!
Aww. I wish two people can go on the horse. That would be so cool.
Oh man.
Okay, okay, I'm not gonna comment on that.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who took a dirt block here? And some flowers.
Maybe an Enderman.
And flowers.
They also carry flowers, Enderman, so that could be it as well. So you want to race, Cheer? You want to race? I think the best way to race is from here, this corner right now, right here, to the other side, I suppose. From here, let's just walk and let's see where we can go. From here, oh, we can go around actually. From here, follow me. Are you following me? We go in here, and then we go here, and then we go here, and then we go through here, then we go down here, go up the stairs, and we finish here again. How about that?
Sounds great.
Alright, here we go.
But,
Hey,
yeah,
Amy,
so
we're about
should
to race horses, but my horse is
Hey, Amy.
upside down.
Yeah, but you have to flip your horse.
No, I
Hey,
cannot flip my horse. It's
Amy.
done. It's done. I cannot flip my horse.
Cause it's, okay, it's giving me some dirty thoughts, okay?
Are you ready? How are you, Amy? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, your horse is much faster.
Yes, it is faster. I tested it first.
But my horse is cute.
Your sugar butt is slow. Oh, I took a shortcut, sorry.
Well, hey.
Yeah, but still faster. Way faster than yours.
Well, at least you can do something. Oh, no, no.
Why your
not
horse
that.
upside down? It's an Easter egg basically. It's an Easter egg. The creator of the horse, the creators of the horses, his username is Dinnerbone, and he always goes upside down. Even in the game, when he goes online, his character is always upside down. And he said, like, anybody who renames their horse Dinnerbone, anybody who renames their horse Dinnerbone is going, well, anything. If you name any creature Dinnerbone, it goes upside down. That's what it is. So if you name a horse, if you name a chicken, a wolf, a zombie, a villager, whatever you rename as Dinnerbone, he will go upside down.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, I need
And
to
if you
name
name
my horse.
if you name a sheep Jeb, if you name a sheep Jeb, J-E-B, Jeb, it goes. They call it the disco sheep. It keeps changing colors. The sheep, it flashes different colors.
I want to name the sheep the disco sheep.
Yeah,
I want a disco sheep.
Yeah, it needs to be renamed Jeb. I think it's Jeb _. We need to look that up.
Rocky, where are you?
I will do it. Geshi's gonna do it. Alright, if you're gonna do it, Geshi though, if you're gonna do it, choose one of those sheep that's in the pen, basically, so that it doesn't get away, you know? So, sorry, what did you say?
Hmm?
You said something, Cheer? You called me?
Oh yeah. Hold on. Wait, stop.
Sorry, my horse is very energetic. Now my turn. My turn. No, I don't want to do it, no. I do want to do it. I do want to do it. No, I'm not gonna do it.
No. Egg fight. Let's fight egg with eggs.
I'm gonna put
Yeah.
my horse in the pen now. Hold on. And I have a donkey as well. Donkeys are awesome because they can actually
same
carry
here.
stuff. I think it's Jeb _ Geshi, be careful. I think it's Jeb _ Be careful. Make sure you got it right.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna rename my horse, cause
Alright, you did it right, I think.
yeah, sugar.
Are you choosing a sheep?
Hold on.
Hold on. What the heck is with uppercase, man? I keep pressing caps lock. I'm set 0. Let me try. Let me try.
Dad?
Let me try.
No moment. Noob.
Wait, where's my
What
parrot?
did he do?
Where's my parrot? Where's inside here? Oh, there it is.
Where's my
The
horse? Where'd my horse go?
corner. There.
He wants to go in the pen with the donkey. Yes, I'll take you in the pen. No problemo. Actually, I don't even need. Actually, I don't even need to put him in the pen now. I can use the lead. Do I have the lead on me? I don't actually. Never mind.
I need to get more dirt. That should be okay for now. Let's see.
Why is there a fence the back right here?
What?
Huh?
There's a fence behind Braga's house.
He looks
A
so
huge
good.
fence.
He looks so good. It's like he's hanging.
Hold on.
He's hanging upside down. Spider horse. Spider horse. That is epic.
Where are you?
That is epic. Spider horse. Let me just open paint
Oh,
again.
I see it.
Let me take a picture.
What? What the earth is that?
Spider horse. Spider horse. Does whatever a spider horse can. Hold on, I need to fix that. I need to take a picture of this. Spider horse, look this way. I like this, like this. Like this would be
Hold
perfect.
on, hold on.
Print screen.
Wait, wait.
Get out of my way, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Alright, go.
Wait. Turn up to-
Hold on, let me just make sure. No, I used uppercase. You booblet.
Google it.
He used uppercase.
Not
That's why it didn't
boy.
work. It didn't work then. No, it has to be
Okay.
lowercase, I think. Just like exactly his username. Can you rename the name tag again? Santirox, thank you so much for subscribing.
Ooh la la.
Be right back getting coffee. Okay. It should be Jeb on. Yeah, I think it should. It should be Jeb on. Exactly. Yes, I know. No, I gave it to the sheep already.
Yeah.
Oh, so he. Oh. Which one? Oh no.
Wait.
You wasted your name tag, Geshi.
Wait, I'll be back.
You wasted your name tag. I don't think you can rename named sheep though, eh? So it has to stay like that forever now. What are you gonna prepare for the cooking stream? Either my special meatball. I think it's either my special meatballs, my special meatball, or maybe some chicken, maybe some Either way, we're gonna be using the Carolina Reaper to go with it. So hot, 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 hot. And Geshi's gonna be there. Geshi's gonna be there in the cooking stream, right?
Like a stuck meatball.
It will be a memory made for your time. Exactly. Your what's it called? Your legacy. The sheep for your legacy. I think so.
Good thing Rocky didn't hear what I said.
What did you say now? I'm going to kill
nothing.
you. I'm going to kill you with my awesome sword. Actually, I don't have my sword on me. So, womp womp.
Hold on.
What is
I'm
Nikki
gonna
doing?
try something.
What is Nikki doing? Nikki...
Yeah. Rocky, do you have a jukebox?
Nikki... No, I don't. Nikki...
You should have one
Nikki.
for your parrots.
Nikki... Nikki...
Because
Are
they
you
actually
AFK?
dance.
Are you AFK? Are you AFK? Are you AFK?
Hello.
Hold
Hey.
on.
Listen.
I think Nikki's AFK, which means...
Don't be a troll.
No, no troll, no troll. Nikki took off. How rude.
No, she didn't. She's still here.
Yeah, she's no longer on voice. I mean, I don't know if she's on voice, but we don't hear her anymore. Oh, I'd like to learn your meatball recipe. Oh, it's a good recipe, actually. It's a good recipe. Cheer, did you want me? Did you need something? You called me? I don't know if you needed anything. Do you need something?
No, I got some. Yeah. Here.
Oh, really? Are you sure?
Yeah, I have two extra.
Okay, awesome.
Besides this one.
What do you
So I have to-
what do you use to voice chat together, guys? Discord. Do you have Discord? Geshi, do you have Discord?
No, I want to see the sheep.
Yeah, I'm going to rename it. I have to rename it. I'm gonna do it real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna do it.
No, I
real
was
quick.
saying.
I don't know yet, actually. And hello, sorry.
Hey, look who it is. You're back.
Yeah, I'm
back.
gonna make some coffee.
Ah, coffee hypo.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
No, it's
send
saying
me an invite.
Vloggy.
What?
Vloggy.
That's what happens when
you.
That's what happens when you go away and you don't say goodbye. Actually, you do it, Cheer. You do it, Cheer. This is your tag. Do it. Go right click on a sheep.
No, you should do it.
You sure?
I don't wanna-
Okay, I was gonna
Yeah,
give you the
I'm sure.
honor. All right.
Free
let's
wood. Thanks for the
Oh.
wood, by the way.
choose. Free wood.
Oh yeah, by the way, Vloggy.
Yeah?
Do you have a jukebox?
No, I don't have a jukebox now.
Yeah. No, if you have one, put it near the parrots. They'll start to dance.
Really? Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I need to make one.
Look at
then.
this. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Disco sheep.
Oh my God, that's cool.
Do not shear the sheep though, because if you shear it, I think she loses her powers. But now,
Yeah, I'm
now she's a
not
disco
sure.
sheep. Disco sheep.
Really?
Oh, yeah,
The
you-
Zohan! Don't mess with the Zohan! I love that movie! Sorry.
Don't mess with the Zohan. How did you?
Yes!
Oh yeah, come and check it out,
That's my
Nikki.
favorite movie!
Did you get my reference though? You mean you got my reference?
Oh yes, I did.
Man, you are the person that I make subtle references. I make subtle references and you get them.
Well, yeah!
Disco.
Disco.
This is the wrong sheep. I'm looking at the wrong sheep. This is it. Ah, disco sheep. You see? Disco
Wait,
sheep.
take off your pants. Come on, you gotta do it properly.
Let's do
Disco.
disco.
Come on, you
Disco.
gotta do it.
I forgot to change my underwear though, I know. Sorry.
Ew.
From last week.
Well, hopefully you groom down there too, because you don't want to be like Zohan too. It's a little hair, you know.
I
it makes
need
it
to watch that movie
sexy.
again. I need to watch that movie
Oh
again.
my gosh, movie date with everyone. Come on.
Geshi's having a
Oh, yeah.
seizure. Geshi's having a seizure. You okay, buddy? You okay, buddy?
Oh yeah. Vloggy.
Yeah?
Just invite Gishi to Discord. He wants to get in your Discord.
Who?
Gishi.
Yeah. But how do I
He did say.
How do I
How
invite?
is he not?
How do I invite him? Let's see. What is
Isn't
your...
your...
Hold on.
Hey, let him give you your, you know, let him whisper his name.
Yeah. I'm gonna post it over here. Hold on.
Oh, no. Let him,
Hey!
Your
Freddy,
dish
welcome back.
Discord. Hold on. Online? Oh god. Let me see if I can do this real quick.
yeah, but, he's in your Discord, right?
It says we've searched, but there's nothing. I'm gonna post the link to my Discord. Anyone in chat can join. That's okay. That's okay. Invite peoples. Copy. I'm gonna post it in chat. I'm gonna post it in chat, the Discord. Discord! Oh man. So yeah, do not shear the sheep because I think she loses her powers once you shear her.
Yeah, I don't trust the sheep.
Where is
Actually,
it?
I need... What?
The disco sheep, where is he?
Uh...
Oh, there she is, over there.
There it is.
Disco. Right, that's enough.
Yeah, I have my parrot there inside.
Oh yeah, let's go check out your dancing parrot. Wanna do that? Let's go check out your dancing parrot.
Yeah, but I don't have I didn't have a jukebox.
You don't have a jukebox.
Oh, I think Drew has one. In his old house.
I got one actually. I got a jukebox because I was experimenting with a machine earlier. Come with me.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but you have a parrot?
I don't have a parrot, but you do. I'll bring it over.
Yeah, I'll bring mine. Okay, when you get there, teleport me, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna bring my
Oh no. Get inside. Ships are not allowed outside. Especially the disco sheep. Wait, if I, you know, what do you call it? Not him. The thing they do with the sheep. The other sheep. What do you call that?
I'm sorry?
That thing with the two sheep. What do you call that? You know how to make baby sheep?
Oh, you breed them, yeah?
Oh, if I breed the disco sheep, would I get a baby one?
No. The only thing that makes the sheep disco is because of the name tag. So to make another disco sheep, you will need another name tag with the name Jeb once again. I'm coming back. I grabbed the jukebox. I'm coming. Because I was trying to build a machine. I won't say what it does. It's an amazing build, but I failed basically. So it required a jukebox, but
Okay, we'll meet up at your house.
Meet me at my house, yeah.
Come here.
I just remembered, even Geshi had a jukebox. I forgot.
Yeah.
I remember seeing
Drew
it.
has one.
I need an invite to the voice chat. It's in the to the voice chat. So are you?
Yeah.
So you joined my Discord. I need to give you the permission. Yes, I think I need to give you the permission to join the voice chat.
Okay, I'm coming with my parrots.
Hold on. Let's meet at my house.
Yeah.
Because it's dark out right now. I need to get shelter.
Yeah, I'm in your house with my parrots. Guess she's here too. Food.
So have you got the music disc?
No, I don't have any.
I need a music disc to do this. Maybe
Wait,
if I place one.
Let's
put it here. Let's put it here. There we go. I'll get the music disc. I'll get the music disc real quick.
Okay, stay here.
They're all the same. I got the music disc. Here we go. Bring the parrot.
Bring yours too.
Let me stop the music real quick.
Okay.
You see that?
That's weird. No. Is that a joke? That's strange. Should dance. Or maybe it's your part that should be here to dance.
Hold on.
Oh. Should dance, but I mean that's what it says in the wiki.
Let's start over. Oh, he is! Look! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, they're dancing! Disco! It's alive! Alright, let me just give Geshi some permissions. Hold on. Welcome to the Discord. Alright, I need to make Geshi an admin, I think. Roles admin. Alright, now you should be able to join. You should be able to join now. You should be able to join if you want. How cool is that? They're dancing! I like that. I like that. It's cute, if I do say so. Sakura and Nikki, come to Vloggy's house now.
Oh, wait. Sakura isn't here. She left the game.
Oh, she did. Oh, she just joined back now, actually. Never. Sakura, come to Vloggy's house. How cool is that? Disco party at my house. I wish I had a better disc though. Do you have other songs other than The Cats, the T13?
I think, you know, remember, what do you call it? You know, Troy's old house? The red one?
Uh-huh.
Disco party? Disco party?
Yes! Our parrots are
Okay, I'll
dancing! Disco,
Okay.
disco, disco, disco!
I'll bring the hummus. I'll bring the hummus and the phantom.
Don't bring any pants. How cool is
Oh, I
this?
promise I won't.
welcome
Disco,
back.
disco, disco, disco. How cool! They're shaking it.
Yeah, what about Vlogger's house now? Huh. I'm
You think
thinking,
he's playing Disco 11?
If you want to see the parrots dancing, you should come to our house.
Oh my god, that's where the music was coming from.
Oh, you can hear the music still.
Yeah, it was coming over there.
Does
and I thought
anybody
there was
have any
something
other
else.
disc besides this, the C13? Because this one, the cat, whatever, is stupid.
Hello.
Hey,
Oh,
Gashi is
hey.
here. Gashi, welcome.
Thank
to
you.
Look. Dancing disco, disco,
Bits are
disco. That is awesome. I had no idea about the parrots. So you see, Cheer did some research. And we found out that everybody disco, everybody dancing. Hold on, I need to. I already got my pants off. Disco. Are you still streaming, Nikki?
Maybe.
Maybe, because I want to see this moment on your stream. Disco. I wish there was better music though than this. Does anybody have any other discs?
I have one disc. It's C16 something.
I have C41813. Does anybody have
living
something?
in-
Let me
you know-
search. Let me check.
I'm gonna come with you, hoping that.
hey,
it's a good-
who's living in Troy's old house? The Playboy Mansion, Iceland.
Oh, watch out! Creeper.
Whose the house is it in the Playboy Iceland?
Creeper gonna creep.
Is it true?
What?
You know you know what True had is Sugar Bat Ben, the red one.
Yeah.
Yeah, who's lived there now?
Nobody lives there, but I asked him. I told him, "Can I have the island?" He's like, "No, it's still my island." I told him, "Okay."
Yeah, because there's I remember there's a disc there.
There's a disc.
Yeah, inside the house.
I'm gonna go check it out real quick. What is-
C418.
Oh, that's a different one. Let's go play this one. Let's go play this one
go.
then. How did you get this different disc? I mean, I managed to get a creeper to kill a... sorry, a
I
skeleton to
got
kill a
it.
creeper.
I got it from a zombie holding it.
Wow! I managed to get
was holding it.
I managed to get a skeleton shoot a creeper and kill it, and he dropped the disc. But it was C13 or whatever, this one that I'm playing. And then I
I
found a
forgot
dungeon.
that you can do it like that.
Let's see.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I forgot that you
I
can
want
shoot.
to
for
see
the-
that dance.
Ready for good music? This one is called Wait.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming.
Do not bring any creepers with you, please.
Uh,
Alright, are you guys ready to listen to some music with the...
We need to bring a cat.
There we go. 1, 2, go. This is more suiting!
Hold on.
But wait for it. Really cute.
I'll give you 1 diamond for this disc.
Yes.
Can
Thank you.
Can I give you 1 diamond for this disc and I'll keep it for my parrot?
1 diamond only. 1 emerald at least.
I'll give you 1 diamond and 1 emerald. How about that?
Deal.
Where are you? There you
The
go.
deal, Lucille.
We see the deal. Here we go. 1 and 2.
Thank you.
It's for my parrot. But my parrot, I only have 1 parrot. But I mean, she can leave him here if he wants. To enjoy the
Yeah, I'm
music.
gonna leave him here.
To enjoy the music.
What happened to the other one?
The other one just followed me someplace at one point, and then I never saw him again. I think they just died then. I don't know.
They spawn
no.
in the jungle biome.
No.
Where do they spawn?
Yeah,
The jungle biome. Yeah.
Cool.
All right, so let me see if I can make some cookies now. I want to make some cookies. How do I make cookies? I need flour. Sorry, flour. I'm thinking about real life. I need cocoa beans. How can I make cookies? I want to make cookies.
Oh no, there's a
Cocoa beans?
There's
We
a
have
request.
a lot.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
we
have
have-
cocoa beans. I need to make cookies. How do I craft cookies? Cookies. I want to make a cookie. Oh, there it is. I need wheat. Oh, that's it. Just wheat. No problem. I'm gonna make some cookies. I want to make a cookie for the picture for my picture frame.
Why are you crying, Freddy?
Who's crying?
Freddy.
Don't cry, man. Do not cry. Let me just grab some wheat from here.
Oh, there's a skeleton. With the boots.
By the way, Gish, if you want to help
These
yourself,
boots,
if you want to help yourself
yeah.
with food from the main house, like wheat and stuff, go ahead from the greenhouse.
Oh, sure, thank you. I have also potatoes and carrots on my farm.
Yes, we had at one point, but they're gone. I don't know where, but they're gone.
You can take or bring. I can bring them.
Oh, I'm gonna use my hoe. Let's use my hoe. Ho.
Yeah, I lost all my stuff.
We found the diamond hoe when we were in the mansion.
Oh yeah, I found it in the chest.
I want to find another mansion. I want to find another one of those mansions. It was so fun. It was dangerous.
Yeah.
It was dangerous.
Oh yeah, remember I think. Oh yeah, you already saw that. Remember the small place we went yesterday too? The small mansion in the jungle?
Yes.
Yeah, me and Nicky found another one.
Yeah, I was watching the stream. Yes, I saw it. I was watching. She found diamonds in hers. I didn't find diamonds in mine. Yeah, cheaters. I'm kidding. You're the cheaters. Oh, man.
I will plant some Maltese potatoes.
1 Maltese potatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna put these here. And even me, I'm gonna put. I think potatoes are really good. Are a good source for
Hunger.
for hunger if they're cooked, obviously.
Of course.
I want to
I have
set up.
some carrots.
I would like to set up an automatic farm. Farm. No, it's better if you put potatoes. Keep planting potatoes here. So we'll have.
I
more.
have 8.
Plant them away. Let me see if I can craft some cookies now. Hold on. So cookies. No, that's not how you do it. Actually, is it like this? Ooh, nice. I got 8.
Those zombies smash the wooden
this
doors
one's for
anymore.
you. Yeah, they still do. So careful.
Okay.
Cheer, where are you?
Maybe it depends the door.
In my house. Why?
No, nothing. I was gonna give you a cookie.
Oh. Yeah.
They're not really
Cookie.
good. They're not really good as a source of food, but it's interesting to have a cookie.
They're
You
better
can
than
feed
nothing.
them about
I mean,
8
a
times.
cookie is a cookie.
Well, I mean, anyway, you have cookies in real life, so you don't really need to have.
Yeah, they're all gone.
You don't really need our fake
We need to
cookies.
find some sunflowers here.
I found sunflowers. I have sunflowers.
Oh,
Sunflowers?
All my cookies are gone now.
You didn't share with us, Cheer. You didn't share. It's not fair. You do not share
Yeah,
with us.
I was torturing you with my me eating the cookies.
Put that cookie down!
Never.
I'm going to do something. Hold on. Can I rename a cookie? Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Wait, you name a cookie?
Vloggy
With an
cookie.
Cookie
hashtag?
bird.
Oh,
with
I'm
the
gonna
name
rename
tag?
all of them? No, I just want... Oh no! I renamed... I renamed 6 of them!
How do you
Oh
how
man,
do you
that was
rename
funny.
them? How do you name a cookie?
You put it in the anvil. You put it in the anvil and you rename it. Oh man.
Oh.
I'm gonna gift this cookie, this renamed cookie. I'm gonna gift it to Nikki. I'm gonna put it on a picture frame for her. Oh man. Where am I gonna put it though? Where does she often visit? She has many picture frames. I think she usually goes upstairs. I'm gonna put it here. Or here? Should I leave it here? I'm gonna leave it here. Vloggy's cookie. I don't know if she's gonna love it. I just left it there. Anyway, she can change the position anytime. Is she still in game? I don't see her.
Yeah, she's in game. It says that she's here.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. What about chat? What about voice chat? Is she
No,
still?
voice chat. No, she's muted.
She left us. She left us.
I think her family's there.
Yeah, probably.
She's streaming, so
All right. I'll put these here. Let's fuel the machine. Let's fuel the machine.
What do they eat? I forgot. Oh, wheat.
Yeah, yeah. We fuel the machine, and then it gives us... Go check the box. Go check the box over here.
yeah, I'm
There
gonna
we
plant
go.
some
Oh, good.
potato.
No, not that. Here. If you want leather, there's plenty.
That's good. That's good.
I'm very
So the
proud of
totem
this.
is consumable or is infinite?
What?
The totem.
No, it's consumable once and that's it. It's gone. Use it once.
That's
If
fine.
you die while holding it, you will see a awesome animation on your screen. Then you see it breaking, bah, and it goes away. But it will save your life.
Hold on, I got a question about planting.
I will save it then.
Yes, that's why I put it in a picture frame. I'm not using it. I put it in a picture frame.
Mm.
What's your question?
Do I need like water between the the garden place?
What, sorry?
Yeah, I'm gonna plant some potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to put water between them?
Yes, there needs to be water next to, you have to hoe the land, basically. You have to tilt the soil with the hoe.
Yeah, I know.
If
But no.
it needs to stay tilted, the soil, you need
You need a hoe, I know.
the hoe, but it needs to stay near water. If it's not near water, it will go away.
Yeah.
So,
So
yes,
I need. No, so I have to put like water between them, right?
yes, that's right.
So if I'm in an Iceland, I have to make a small hole.
Exactly. Exactamunto.
So that means I'm gonna need
Viral
gonna need
Stevie's
that.
watching. I see you, buddy.
what's viral TV?
Hmm?
I don't know what that is. Viral TV. Is it a person or what?
I don't know. Are you a person, Viral Stevie, or a bot?
'Cause that's not what it says.
Maybe he doesn't speak English, so it's just his way of saying I'm here, I'm watching. I don't know.
I'm gonna need a bucket. Welcome back, Phantom.
I'm gonna make some green dye because I prefer my dog's color to be green.
You wanna color your dog?
I'm gonna color my dog's color. I'm gonna make it green. There we go.
Nice.
Nikki just saw the cookie. The cookies are pretty useless, but they make a nice picture frame.
Okay, done. Oh, wait. No, I need that.
Is Geshi still here in voice chat?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh,
I'm here.
so quiet. Everything. It's 3 people
Yeah.
on voice chat, but it's
I don't know
very
what I'm
mute.
gonna do.
So funny.
I'm trying to
no.
get some wool.
I think Nikki left voice chat.
Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Oh, what's
Oh
this?
yeah,
Ah,
we
okay.
already did talk about this. Huh? I forgot.
1, 2. Yeah, but True still wants to keep this island, so I asked him if it's on the market, if I can buy it, but he's like, nope.
Nope.
Nope, nope, nope.
It's hard to get the wool from the
sheep.
From the sheep? Why is it hard?
because it's far away to get.
Just go inside. Break the thing.
Oh, there's
go
a
inside.
gate.
No, I don't
Yeah,
think
there's
so.
a gate.
Ah,
Yeah,
is there?
There's a gate in the middle.
Just go in
Yes.
and then close it behind you. That's it. And while you're at it, breed some sheep as well. So we'll have more.
Awesome.
These trees don't want to grow. I don't know why.
Yeah, them in my own. It takes like a really long time.
No, this has been like this since Sunday, so I don't think it's normal. I'm gonna see if I can fix this.
Yeah, like you know the dirt in my island.
Mm-hmm.
They haven't turned green at all. They should be green, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they haven't turned green at all. And I have it for like a week now, that island.
I don't know.
I'm not sure what's going on.
What do you mean turn green? Wait. What are you talking
No.
about? I'm talking about my trees.
Yeah, I know, I'm talking about the dirt.
No, the dirt is not gonna turn. It's not gonna turn green. Never. In
Really?
order for the dirt to turn green, it needs to be next to other grass.
Oh yes.
Yeah, but okay, so how do I put grass?
No, to get grass, either you link it, you make like a bridge from because there needs to be a grass blocks placed next to them.
Oh, so I need to connect it to a grass island.
You either connect it until the grass makes it you to your island, or what you can do, use Silk Touch. I don't know if you ever found the enchantment Silk Touch.
No, I haven't found an enchantment. All the enchantments I found, I gave them to you.
I don't have Silk Touch though. I don't think you gave me Silk Touch. No.
No.
So basically, wait a sec. Oh, there it is. So you need Silk Touch to mine a block. So when you dig the dirt, it doesn't turn into, well, when you start digging through the dirt, the grass, it doesn't turn into actual dirt block. It will be a grass block. You see, it will stay grass. That's why you would need Silk Touch. All right, let's try again. It's not working, this thing. Trying to make trees grow, but it's not working.
Oh, by the way, I managed to get an ender pearl.
Oh wow, nice. I'm
We
collecting.
should collect it.
Yes.
We should.
Yes, we should start
store
getting as
them.
many. Yes, we should start getting as many ender pearls as possible, huh?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Because we have to get to the dragon one day. Our next mission now is from the Nether. We need to collect 3 wither skulls. Once we collect 3 wither skulls, we should be able to create a wither boss. We fight that boss and he will drop another star. Wither star, I think it's called. And with that, we should be able to create the beacon. I'm gonna check how to make a big tree appear, because this is taking forever. I'm gonna look it up. So, Minecraft jungle tree.
Gonna need lots of dirt to do this.
Jungle tree. Jungle trees are exclusive to the jungle biome. Jungle trees drop 3 saplings which appear tall and skinny like the jungle tree itself. When planted in grass or dirt, they will grow into a jungle tree with a 1x1 trunk. You can place them in a 2x2 formation and they will grow into a jungle tree with a 2x2 trunk. Ah, okay, they initially found. Okay, that's what I was doing wrong. I was placing 4. That's why.
So you need to place two next to each other?
Yeah, I was placing 2x2, so it needs to be just 2 next to each other, yeah. Let me try it then.
Oh, you have like 4 next to each other.
Yeah, 4 next to each other doesn't work. That's why they never grow. Okay. I see.
I see. And I hear.
You see and you
And
hear.
yeah, and I like.
Alright, so.
Oh yeah, you should like the stream, everyone.
Like the stream, people! If you want to make us happy. So this is how it grows. It looks very weird, but I'm gonna try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Didn't work. It didn't work. Oh, it kinda did. No, it's not how I wanted it to be. I'm getting tons. I'm getting tons of saplings now.
You're gonna love this message, Bloggy.
I saw it. Oh, you. For a second, I thought it said, Nikki and Dolgos, they are awesome saplings. Alright, so where's my axe? Ooh, can I ask you a question? Ask you a question? Alright, no. Didn't grow the way I wanted it to do. So, you go down again. And I broke my axe.
Wait, Bloggy, is this true?
What?
If you don't get out on Saturday and Sunday in Malta, they consider you a loser?
What?
What we can see?
I didn't understand. What?
I said if you in Malta, if you didn't go out on Saturday and Sunday.
Well, I mean, people will be like, seriously, you're wasting a Saturday and a Sunday playing video games instead of going out. The weekend is a big deal here in Malta. It's considered as a big deal. You know, they'll be like, what? Why are you not going out? You know, so yeah, kind of, yeah.
So it's like you're a loser.
Some people might see it that way, yeah.
Yeah, then that means that I don't want to come to Malta.
Ha! Well, I mean, if you ever came to Malta, you should go out on a Saturday, not stay indoors playing Minecraft. So if I'm going anywhere, I'm not staying indoors. Collecting saplings.
Yeah, the
Collecting saplings.
Okay, so I. Okay, I connected my island to a nearby island with grass. So now we wait. Wow, I can see Nikki's house from mine house.
Okay. I'm starting to think maybe we should start bridging the islands now, huh? Cause
Yeah.
we're too far away from each other. I was thinking bridging to True's. Let me see if True's island is a straight line actually. I want to check that. I want to see if it's a straight line. Because if it's a straight line, I can start planning a bridge. Let's find out if it's a straight line. It's hard to determine if it's a straight line or not though. Let me start from his end. Let me start from his island. Wow, it's a long way, huh? It's a very long way. There's an underwater temple here as well.
another one.
Yeah, there's two.
So difficult to do that technique you were saying.
You think it's difficult to do it
temple.
the way I'm doing, the way I want to?
It's
Like
not difficult, but it's long. Yeah, it takes a while.
What I found that, I found a kind of a shortcut to do it. It won't take as much. We don't have to fill the whole thing. We don't have to fill. We don't have to fill the whole thing. What I have in mind. I think the bridge is gonna work, huh? I think the bridge is gonna work. The bridge is gonna work. Alright, so let's just say, because the island is very... Let's just say I start bridging from here. Let's say I start from here. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Oh, by the way, I'm using the chat structure, Nikki.
Let's see. If we start building the bridge from here, assuming I'm going in a straight line, which I should be. Let me see where it leads. Wow, it's gonna be a very long bridge. It's gonna be even longer than the one we did on my server, Gish, remember? The Golden Gate Bridge?
Oh, wow.
It's gonna be longer than that. Wow, I've been walking and walking.
I think so.
This is gonna be a very long project. But I mean, everybody needs to pitch in though.
You can use the cobblestone, I guess.
Oh no!
I prefer to make it cook the actual cobblestone. Alright, if I go in a straight line from True's Island to our island, that would lead us straight to Nikki's house. That's not good, because Nikki's house is here. I'm not going to build a bridge out of her house. So it needs to be a bit off. Maybe from here? Should be okay from here, I think. Yeah, that's what I'll do. We may have to... I'm gonna have to be here. Now I'll start looking for bridge ideas. I'm gonna start looking for bridge ideas so that we can have a project in mind.
We can do like a medieval bridge.
Nah, we can do something modern. Like a modern bridge, I think.
Modern bridge?
Modern,
like,
something prettier.
You know, like the Golden Girls Bridge?
Yeah, something like that. Like the Golden Gate Bridge, but...
Wait, I didn't say the golden bridge. I didn't say the golden gate.
What did you say then?
I said the golden girl.
I don't know what that bridge is. I've never seen it.
It's not a bridge. It's a TV show, an old one.
Really?
Yeah, it's called Golden Girls.
Oh, okay.
I never seen it, but I heard of it. Yeah, I should ask Oscar about it. Maybe he knows. As I think I saw it once.
I think I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna call it for today, this stream, because but I'm gonna call it because I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm working tonight, so
Okay.
I'm gonna take care of these skeletons real quick.
Thank you for awesome stream, everyone.
Thank you for hanging out with
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you for playing. Ah! I'm still here for now, just walking around. Where's Nikki? What is she up to? Is she now mining by herself? Did she leave us? She's not at her
no,
house, is she?
No, she's working in her house.
She's still online.
Oh, there she is. Yeah. Hello.
No, she's working in her house.
Bye, I'm leaving. Bye. Do I have a gift for her? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna give her. There you go. Gave her an apple. But I don't think she saw it. It's right behind her. No, she didn't see it. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a beautiful time.
Bye.
Bye,
Actually,
have a
she's
beautiful
next
time. See ya. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.
Wait. What did you give her?
I threw an apple at her.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Ciao.
Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for hanging out with us in chat. And thank you guys for playing with me. I will see you tomorrow for Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great
Okay,
time.
bye. See ya.